Yo, we good? Yo, we good? Okay, we good. Liddy, we back. Let me see if I can share the stream out. Let me share the stream out, man. Let me share the stream out. What's up, Rather Be Sailing? Shout outs to you, fam. Thanks for coming into the stream. Share it out. Share the stream. What's good with you, man? What's good with you? The full image. What the heck? What's good with you though? Rather Be Sailing, you still in here? Got 3 people in the stream. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Y'all feel free to chat with me, man. Sharing out the stream, see if I could get people to join, support the channel. RFD chart looking bullish. A lot of people sold out here, but we could see a reversal coming, man. Never fade some of the top influencers in the space, man. Never fade the top influencers in the space. Look at the it's listed on KuCoin. 4.8 million market 24-hour trade volume, 14.5 million market cap, and they got a whale with 25 million behind it. Could see a reversal from this project, man. I covered it a few times. I see your pop is bullish on it. Right? So shout out to the Refund community, man. As long as the community is still alive, can't rule out anything for a project, man. Shout out to West Luna, 1K refund, you ready to launch. That's all you need, really. Even if it's a few $100s, bro. You know? 9 people watching the stream. Thank y'all so much for tuning in, man. Like the stream, share the stream out. Like the stream, share the stream out. Support my previous refund video that I just made. Let's get it to 10,000 views. Right here, man. Go to videos. The last video I made. Get it to 10,000 views, man. All the refund community. 10 people in the stream, man. Appreciate it. Appreciate everybody joining. Refund chart looking super bullish right now, man. I'm telling you, could see a reversal here. Everybody that sold took profits. I ain't mad at them, you know. But if you sold at a heavy loss, you know, you kind of took a L, man. This is why they say never invest more than you're willing to lose, man. But yeah, man, it's a nice entry right here. Nice entry right here, man. This is when I like to buy charts. I never catch charts back here ever. But when it comes to accumulation and consolidation, that yeah, I could catch a chart here. And then if there is a reversal, oh yeah, we in profit. Yep, we in profit if there is a reversal. So I bet on that, you know. I bet on the reversal. You know, you gotta be some type of genius to catch charts back here. But you could just be mid IQ, low IQ, and catch a chart here, you know. If it continues to dump, oh well, that's fine. But if it makes a reversal from here, oh my gosh, easy profits. Easy profits, man. Like the stream, support the stream, y'all. This project could crush it like Pepe did. You got Europop and all these bullish people in it. You know, Europop is a huge Shiba Inu creator. Just recently did a stream with Rodney and Jake talking about RFD. I'm sure they still got their RFD bags. You know, this is what you look for, man. Look at who's shilling certain projects, who's in certain projects, right? Europop is bullish on RFD. That's an influencer you don't fade, you know. 10 people watching the stream. Like the stream, share the stream out. Go support my last refund video, y'all. Thanks for joining the stream, Wes. Rather be sailing. RFD is not a meme coin. Shout out to Aaron, man. Hey, they got utilities being built, so you right. They got utilities being built. It's on KuCoin. You know. Super bullish project though. I like what I see. You know, I like who backing it. You know, Refund himself got like 25 M's. Got good backing behind the project. You know. Crazy trade volume. Listed on KuCoin. Looking like it's ready to do a reversal from here. It makes a reversal from here. Everybody bullish on RFD again. Everyone was bearish here. It starts breaking out here. Everybody bullish on RFD once again, you know. I like to buy accumulation phases. I like to buy when the project is consolidated, you know, because I'm not genius enough to catch projects back here. I'm not that smart. But you know, moments like this, yeah, I could catch charts like that, you know. 9 people watching the stream. Thank y'all so much for tuning in, man. Like the stream, share the stream out, share it with the rest of the RFD community. We already 10 minutes into the stream, man. Share it in the group one more time. RFD super bullish, Aaron. Shout outs to you, man. Also, go support my previous RFD video I just dropped. Get it to 10,000 views, man. Let's go, man. Support the upcoming content creators, you know. Go drop a like on it. Leave a comment. Aaron, Wes. Go leave a comment on the video. like it, share it. 8 people in the stream, you know, appreciate it. We gonna be here for a full hour, y'all. Let me know what's up. What drew you to the project? How'd you find out about RFD? What you like about the project? Let me know. And that's all on you, man. If you were going to DCA, now would be a good time because as you can see, man, it's consolidating here. You know, it is consolidating here. So now would be a good DCA opportunity. But you see, that's the thing, rather be selling, you know, you got in a bit late, down 60%, so you bought somewhere up here, right? You know, but at least you didn't buy at all-time high, right? What I realized about a lot of charts, Pepe was, you know, Pepe was different, but even Pepe right now is in a consolidation, but it never came back down to 100 mil. I'd like it to. It never came back down to 100 mil. Your Pop is why you got in. Yep. Shout out to Your Pop, man. Bullish content creator for sure. Liquidity is great. It's on KuCoin. Volume is great. Market cap, nice entry. Like, this could potentially go to $1 billion in market cap, man. The potential is there, man. Like the stream, y'all. Share the stream out. Let's get 20 people watching, man. Support my previous RFD video that I literally just uploaded. I had troubles with the power today because the power went out in my, you know, my town that I'm in. So didn't get to upload 3 videos, but yeah, I had to make sure post that RFD one. Liquidity is great for RFD, man. Whales could hop in, hop out as they feel. You know, like I said, we could see a reversal on this project before you know it, man. People in the space are still bullish on it. I'm still bullish on it. It's always trending on Dex Tools. Number 10 right now. Could see a nice explosion from here. You never know, man. Thanks for joining the stream, y'all. Shout out to Rather Be Sailing, Aaron, West Luna. Hourly Certic vote. They're doing their best. And what I like to see from the project is that it's doing its best to solidify itself, you know. Doing its best to solidify itself, correcting all its issues. What the hell, Twitter? What kind of glitch? All eyes on RFD. When you see greatness, you gotta appreciate it deeply. LFG from Your Pop. So Blur added another 100 plus ETH to the LP, and the market is waking up to RFD. Wow, 100 plus ETH to the liquidity pool. That's why the liquidity pool went up so much, and now it's gonna be. That's why the chart is gonna be holding up so stable. Smart man. Okay. RFD DJ in our space. Your Pop. A lot of spam on Twitter though. Trying to find great Your Pop RFD tweets. In 2023, don't miss RFD. 50 58K followers. Where y'all from if y'all in the stream right now? Tell me where y'all from. What brought y'all into crypto? What brought y'all into crypto? What brought y'all into RFD? Let me know. Feel free to type in the chat. Feel free to talk to the boy. We got the contract audit from Certic. They building out. Will RFD make a comeback in 2023? See Jake right here. This is why you hold projects, man. You see, you look for certain people in the project and you be like, okay, those people are in. Okay, looks interesting. Okay, I'm gonna take a chance on this. I'm gonna see what's up with this one. Do your own research, obviously, as well. What you like about the project. I like that, you know. For me, I like that the founder got a ton of money. that's what I like. I like when the founder got a ton of money. Most founders don't got money, so they use their project to enrich themselves, right? So when the founder got a ton of money, you're like, okay, well, he already got money, so what he gonna do? How he gonna push this one? They had the bug resolved. 4 people tuning in. I appreciate all of y'all. If y'all want to support the channel, like the stream, share the stream out. Support my previous RFD video. Feel free to super chat as well. Feel free to super chat. You know, it really helps the channel out. It could be $5. I'd appreciate it. Once the community keeps growing, that's it, man. You can't fade a community. Once a community is strong, active, you can't fade that community. Can't fade a strong community, man. Woke up to an epic RFD chart. Ear Pop crushing it, man. Million holders soon. 100,000 people in the community soon. NZ Trader is here as well. Shout out to NZ Trader. 3 people watching. Thank y'all for tuning in, man. Gotta start small before you get up there, man. So all of y'all that's supporting a small content creator like myself, I appreciate it. People in the chat kind of ignored my stream message because I'm a small content creator, but the people that are here tuning in, I appreciate y'all, man. Again, feel free to type in the chat. Feel free to type in the chat. I'm here to talk. Bubble map of RFD. But right here, it's the correct one. Let me see. There's an easy way to pull it up through token sniffer. Let me see. Make sure it's the correct one. I don't like how this one looks. I think this is the correct one because this has KuCoin wallet and Mexi wallet. From what I could see from this one right here, because this is the official app, right? This is just Mexi. This is Mexi Holdings and who's holding on Mexi. This wallet right here. What wallet is this? Okay, just somebody that got connected wallets. This is KuCoin and its exchanges. Another smaller wallet. And this is Gate.io right here. Yeah, all of that connected. Yeah, the bubble maps looks great, man. Bubble maps looks great. Nice distribution. Nice distribution, rather be selling for sure. Very nice distribution. This is probably the exchange wallet right here. This is the exchange wallet. Looks good, rather be sailing. Looks really good, man. Token sniffer needs to update right here because probably a minor glitch on the liquidity that's locked, especially since RFD himself just added more to the liquidity pool. But yeah, the bubble map's great, wallet distribution great. You got the right, you got top influencers in the project. So this is the thing, right? I'm gonna be brutally honest, but So when it comes to crypto, there's a lot of followers. There's not many leaders, right? There's a lot of followers. So when you have top influencers mentioned in a project, that's what normally causes it to make moves to the upside, or get a lot of awareness and get more people into the project, right? The more hype, the more awareness the project has, the more people, like influencers that are bullish on it, the more the project makes moves to the upside. Because there's a ton of projects out there, a ton, like thousands and thousands of projects, but the ones that have influencers or top people, popular people talking about them, those are the ones that perform well, right? Going into more bullish markets, your pop Jake still bullish on RFD. Guess what? His audience will look into RFD and probably get into RFD. When new people come into the space, guess what? They see your pop videos, Jake's videos, they get into RFD because of that, right? Compared to like obscure meme coin or altcoin that nobody talks about, right? That's how it works, right? Appreciate y'all for joining the stream, man. Thank y'all for joining the stream. Like the stream, share the stream out, support my last RFD video that I made. We just vibing right now, RFD is a very nice project. I think it's very nice because of what I've seen. It's super bullish. Even Rodney recently just made a tweet about it, as you can see. So yeah, like I'm saying, Rodney's audience, he talks about RFD, they get bullish, they buy in, and then the Blur and the community keep pushing it, it's over with, man. I appreciate everybody supporting the stream, man. 5 people watching, better than 0, I tell you that much. 5 people watching, man, I appreciate that. If you can, like the stream. 5 people watching, like the stream, support my previous RFD video as well. And if you can, man, support with some super chats. It could be $5. I'd appreciate all the support, man. Just an upcoming content creator doing my best, you know? Well, if he's aiming for decentralization, I think he's just gonna help at certain points. I don't think he's gonna be like, you know, in full control of like taking over it, right? I think he's gonna be focused on like, he'll be doing things that only he could do, you know, like for example, adding to the liquidity pool, or getting certain exchange listings, or reaching out to certain people, right? But I think, you know, the goal and the focus is decentralization, so you know, it would be up to the community overall to make the project a success. Now, there could be developments that happen that add, you know, more utility to RFD, similar to Shiba with Shytoshi making Shibarium, you know, the layer 2 network for SHIB. Those are things only the developer of the project could do. So, you know, maybe he hires developers to help with like adding utility. Maybe he develops a metaverse for the project, you know. Maybe he creates a side chain so he could get smart contracts, you know. Those are the things I think he'd deal with, but everything else would be like the community, right? Because this is a thing, like what I've seen, it's all on the community. The bigger the community is, the further it could reach. Like, for example, Pepe's Binance listing, that only happened because one of the community members was in a space with CZ and mentioned Pepe, talked about it, and then, you know, all the hype it was creating because of the community, boom, Binance listing, right? So what you gotta look for, to me, in my opinion, is a strong community, a base community. Refund community is just that, man. Very based, very based. Yeah, thanks everybody for joining the stream. I really appreciate that. 101k followers on Twitter. I didn't even notice how much followers the project had. Crazy. Yeah, see, that's the thing. When a project starts getting over like 100k followers, all organic, no paid followers, that's a nice touch right there. It's a nice thing to take notice of. Let me see something real quick. I'm just gonna I don't want to compare to projects, but I just want to see something real quick. See, got more followers than that project right there. Shout out to that project though. Shout out to that project. Yeah, man, feel free to type in the chat, y'all. I'm here. I don't want to be talking to myself the whole time. I don't want to be talking to myself the whole time. me see if I could drop my tweet, because I did tweet out the stream. So Blur gonna send this thing. The community gonna send this thing. Shout out to the RFD community. Y'all are crushing it. 6 people watching, man. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Like the stream. Share the stream out. Support this RFD video that I made, man. Get it to 10,000 views, man. Let's go. If you could also support with super chats, I'd appreciate it, man. The viewership for crypto is so difficult. it's so difficult. I could make a channel talking about like red pill and tradfi relationships. I say tradfi, traditional relationships, and then get a ton of views, man. You know, but I'm so bullish on crypto and, you know, this decentralization. For me, obviously it's about making money as well, but it's the decentralization part. It's just the knowledge that, you know, you have freedom with your money with crypto. It could be any project. It's still freedom because the government has no access to what you got in your DeFi wallet, right? And that's what I love the most. I like that decentralization. I don't like what the previous financial system has become, and I know they grasping at straws because eventually it's gonna collapse, right? So yeah, man, just that thought, that you know, freedom of your money is a great feeling to have. Obviously it'd be awesome to become rich and wealthy from it as well, but the core principle for me is just the decentralization. Like the stream, y'all. Refund could be making a reversal soon. I see, like I said, I know it's looking I can't speak. It's looking like it's going to be consolidating, and it's going to be consolidating, holding this line, and then hopefully eventually we see that reversal, man. And it goes back to its former glory, especially with the market turning bullish, man. The SEC tried to FUD the market as usual with Binance, trying to sue Binance, but you know, that's not gonna last long, man. Crypto is gonna win. Crypto is always gonna win. This is the new technology. This is the new stock market. This is the new stock market. Whether the old heads in control want to believe it or not, it's the new stock market. The SEC wants to freeze Binance's assets, not your keys, not your crypto. Please don't leave your crypto on exchanges. Keep personal custodial cold wallets that you own the keys to, so that they can't freeze your crypto. That's what I'm saying, the control, man. I like that. I like to have control over my money. When all of your assets are in one place, like one bank, you know, you never know what could happen to that bank, especially after what happened with SVB, Republic. People might be like, JP Morgan could never collapse, Chase could never collapse. Chase and JP Morgan could never collapse. What happens when it does? What happens when it does? Who's to say that? You know, you can't rule out anything, you know, because as we've seen, this is just a house of cards, man. Especially the old financial system. Your hardware wallet arrives in 3 days. Awesome, man. What you got, a Trezor? Ledger got a lot of FUD, but I still got my Ledger, man. I'm just not gonna update it or anything. So, you know, it's better to probably get it's better to get a Trezor right now because the ledger got a lot of FUD around it. But you know, you should have multiple hardware wallets, honestly. So I probably got to get a Trezor next. Okay, nice stuff, man. I say also diversify into getting a Trezor, and put some assets on the ledger and some on the Trezor. It's just smarter that way, you know. Don't put all your assets in one place. Yeah, that's what I'll probably be doing, because my first hardware wallet was a ledger. SEC has gone after Kraken, Binance, Coinbase, Cardano, Algorand, Polygon, but they've missed FTX. Sam Bankman-Fried. Wait, meme coins shouldn't be here. Don't say meme coins. That's not right. Leave meme coins alone. I haven't looked into it, honestly, but I'm sure it does. I'm sure there's a version of it that does. For people watching the stream, man, thank y'all so much. Like the stream. Check out my last RFD video that I literally just made an hour ago. Let's get it to 10,000 views, man. I haven't had a video that hit 10,000 views ever. Well, not in crypto. Not in crypto. 5 people watching the stream. Thank y'all so much for tuning in, man. Feel free to comment. Feel free to talk to me. I appreciate any support, man. I really do. You know, you gotta support upcoming content creators as well, guys, you know. Blur getting I don't think he's gonna get doxxed. What's my thoughts about Fur on Chronos? Is that another project? That's a project on the Chronos ecosystem. Crazy AI vision. Shout out to you. Let's take a look. Why not? Why not? Why not? Let's take a look. It's not. Let me see. Thoughts about FUL token? Is it FUL or FUR? Oh, it's FUL. I've never looked into this. Okay. Let me see. It's got different peers. Probably listed on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. $20 billion supply. 20 billion supply. 548 million circulating. Yeah, crazy AI vision. I think this is it right here. You see, the issue with this is the tokenomics. That's the first thing I see. They got a ton of supply to just dump on the market. Let's see how the max chart is. It just came out. It just came out in April. They got a ton of supply to dump onto the market, because there's 20 billion total and only 548 million circulating. So that's like what, 19.5 billion coins that could just get added to the market, right? So that the market cap is 8.4 million, but the fully diluted is 307 million. It's risky. It's very risky, but you never know what could happen. It could still make a crazy move, but it's very risky. 4 to 5 months. Okay. So it's a decentralized trading platform. That's a good use case. They got 247 and 24 total trade volume, 247 million. Yeah, though. But the thing is though, for me, honestly, just because of the tokenomics, and this is the first thing I'm seeing, just because of the tokenomics, that would be risky for me. I would wait until like the market cap and the FDV gets closer to each other, you know, because that's a lot of supply they could add to the market. Now, if it was like 5 billion total or 3 billion and then 548 million circulating, then I'd be like, okay, that's not bad. But like, it's a lot of supply to add to the market, man. Just my opinion, though. Just my opinion. But yeah, thanks for joining the stream, man. I appreciate you for tuning in. Everybody that's tuned into the stream, I appreciate y'all so much, man. Like the stream, share the stream out. If y'all want me to check out any other projects, let me know. Let me know, man. Also support my previous RFD video as well. If you can support with any donations as well, man. Super chats, I'd appreciate it. The crypto viewership is tiny. It's minuscule. it's so hard to get views on crypto channels, yeah, like I'm telling you. Because I did YouTube before, but I checked out more like I did more entertainment content, and it was much easier to get views. But with crypto, it's so difficult. So if y'all could help out with any donation, super chats, could be $2, $5, I'd appreciate it, man. Rich Quack is good. I'm not gonna be hating on Rich Quack. Rather be selling. Rich Quack is one of them meme coins on Binance that could make a move in the bull run, and I wouldn't doubt it. You know, I covered Rich Quack on my second channel called Daily Crypto Gems. Rich Quack is bullish in my opinion. It's one of them meme coins that people gonna forget about, and then eventually it's gonna have a move up. Because look at this, it's sitting at 33 million market cap. It's like baby doge, right? It's like in that baby doge vein of meme coins, you know. 433k in 24-hour trade volume, right? Listed on Gate.io Mexi. Half the supply is out, right? So that's what I'm saying. You see how the market cap and the FDV is much closer to each other. 74 million fully diluted, 32 million, 33 million market cap. So half the supply is out. So it's not at, that's okay. That's majority of coins in the space are like this. Half the supply is out circulating, and the other half is, you know, on the, you know, to be vested, right? Crypto AI projects, that's a great place to go. Rather be sailing, bro. Yeah, Rich Quack, bullish in my opinion. Very bullish. You don't bet the whole, like, you never invest more than you're willing to lose, obviously, but you know, some money here could be good. It's like for example, like what's this called, Bonk. It's another meme coin that's on Solana that could just absolutely crush it, right? They got a bunch of meme coins that could absolutely crush it, and that people forgot about, right? Because when it's a bull run, everything sends, right? So just invested $100 last week into Marati AI. Yo, it's bullish, man. That's another bullish one. Yep, Marati AI. Yep, I saw certain people talking about it. What's that man name? I don't know his name, but I saw certain people talk about it. I was like, okay, it's a nice AI project on Mexi Bitmart. Could have a send. You've been doing AI videos. What's your channel, bro? Drop your channel. Let me see your channel. Crypto AI projects. That's a nice wave to go. Crypto AI projects. Yep, that's a nice lane though. AI is gonna be the future, and I think, you know, all the AI projects gonna have like just be sending into the future, in my opinion. A lot of them, not all, but a lot. You know. And you see, that's the thing, crazy AI vision. You invested $100, not more than you're willing to lose. See what happens, man. Because remember, nothing crypto is guaranteed. But hey, that $100 could eventually turn into 1,000, 10,000. You never know. You take that W and then you go and then reinvest, right? Maybe leave a moon bag into Marathi. Yeah, Marathi is an AI project. Yep. Higher risk play though. Higher risk play, obviously. Turbo. Oh man, Turbo had such a great narrative. Turbo had a great narrative, man. I remember Turbo, man. I don't know what's gonna happen to Turbo, man. I don't know if it's gonna survive or not, cause I ain't see no influencers or nobody talking about it. I don't know how the community is. I don't know. I don't know about this one, bro. Maybe it makes a comeback. Who knows? It's been, you know, it's gonna be in a flat line. And if something bullish happens, it can make a reversal, but you know, I don't know if the hype is gone for it or not. A million tokens. It could make a reversal, man, because the story, it got a nice story behind it. 69 bill market cap for $1. A million tokens is around 200 bucks, or just around 150. I like how you're invested. I like how you invested, Crazy AI Vision. I like how you investing, bro. You smart, man. You splitting your money up. You ain't putting in too much into them, into the projects. Yeah, man. A million of these could go. You never know, bro. So you put a 150 there. Okay, 130. Yeah, man. It goes to who know, and that's the thing. It could go to $1 billion. Like, who says it can't, right? You just got some Volted Dragons. Hey, shout out to David Volted, man. Hey, Volt will remain bullish. Volt is always bullish, right? I just stopped covering it because I was trying to move into the algorithm, and nothing's wrong with that because I'm trying to grow my channel, right? So I stopped covering it to grow my channel, right? That's just how YouTube is, Volted. But Volt, it's always gonna be bullish to me. Shout out to the Volt community, cause y'all stay active, y'all stay pushing. Right? Yeah, because like I said, the crypto viewership is so difficult. Like, I don't understand why it's so difficult. Like, for example, I'm not hating or anything, but they got people like this person right here. She's a, you know, shout out to her, a content creator. They do live streams talking about like men and women, right, and dating and stuff like that, and it gets so much views, right? But compared to crypto, like, it's like, you know, crypto viewership is so small. Like, even people like Jake and Rodney, they, you know, they're not. Why aren't crypto channels getting like 100K, 50K views per video? Sometimes, you know, 20K, 30K. It's because it's so early to crypto. It's such an echo chamber. That's why. Eventually, it's gonna get to a point where crypto channels get a ton of views, right? Because not enough people are in crypto yet. Because everybody's outside the echo chamber still sees it like as a bad thing, right? It's still early to crypto. That's why I'm like betting the bullet on it. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all, like, for example, someone I know. This is someone I know, man, making a ton of bread off making Roblox content, right? four 8K subscribers, just a ton of views. Now obviously it's children on YouTube, so this makes sense, right? But even so, like why even like people like Jake, who got such a big following, only getting like 2,000 views per video? Like, that makes no sense. So it just I think it's just because crypto is so early. It's so early, right? Eventually, you know, crypto channels will be blowing up left and right, in my opinion. So let me go back to what y'all was saying. But I did watch a video recently of someone saying it's not too bad on selling and buying. It's not crazy down, but it's up and down and all right prices. You know what I mean? Hey, like I said, Turbo, it got a great story. The creator made it through AI. It's literally an AI created project, and it could have a huge narrative when AI explodes again, whenever AI season comes back. So, you know, Turbo could make a crazy reversal, right? Holding my Volt. Hey, Volt will always remain bullish, man, in my opinion. Volt will always remain bullish. Yeah, crazy AI vision. Share your channel, my guy. I understand, like, I'm in the same situation, but with AI, and it's really hard to get views. Yeah. Cross 600k views on my channel, but it's been a real struggle and getting crazy daily. That's what I'm saying, bro. Okay, you got 600k, nice. Share your channel in the chat, crazy AI. Even if you do spaces, like you do like a space, and so it doesn't actually type out a website, YouTube space dot space, you know. I think there's an issue with YouTube search function. They need to fix it. I hear a lot of people saying they get unrelated results to searches the last few weeks. That could be the case. I just think it's the type of content. I just think crypto is just such a tiny bubble, because majority of people outside of crypto, right, if they're outside of it, they're like, they got some that get in sometimes, and then, you know, they get wrecked, they leave. Right? So it's like I feel like it has to get to that stability phase, you know. Still, I also still think it's super early for crypto as well. It's still super early. So all right, man, nice. You're uploading consistently. Very good. Great stuff. Great stuff, man. Keep it up, bro. Keep it up. 2.8k subs. Keep it up. Five people watching the stream. Shout out to y'all, man. I appreciate it. Let's head back over to RFD now. But yeah, crazy AI vision. I like how you invested. You toss a couple hundred here, a couple hundred there. Not over investing. And you're buying projects when they're down. You're not like, you know, think about all the people that bought RFD up here. Imagine all the people that bought our RFD up here. They'd probably think, oh no, this project is a scam. Hit the like. Listen to that man, rather be sailing. You know, if I was going to buy, because ain't no way I'm getting in down here, man. You gotta be freaking checking Etherscan and knowing the crawlers and tossing your money here and all kinds. Ain't no way I'm getting in back here. But here, oh yeah, this is a good entry. Same thing for Turbo. Same thing for Turbo, man. You know, who got in? Not many people got into Turbo back here. Not many, right? But here, even if it drops, you just DCA down, right? You could get in here, and then if it makes a reversal and goes to a new all-time high, past this all-time high, it goes to a new all-time high, you know, you take the dub. Now if it doesn't, if it doesn't, you know, that's just how crypto is, because nothing is guaranteed. Hit the like the stream. Shout out to everybody in the stream. I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all so much, man. 7 people watching the stream now. Shout out to the RFD refund community. Again, support my previous RFD video. Get this to 10,000 views. I need my first 10,000 viewed video. I need it. I need it. Let me share the stream once again in the Telegram. Sitting at 14 mil market cap. Dang, it's already been 57 minutes. Wow. Wow, time moves fast when you're streaming. Whoa, crap. That didn't even feel like an hour. What the heck? That's insane. Alright, I'm gonna stream for another 30 minutes, man, because I didn't expect that, man. Crazy. Stream for another 15 to 30 minutes. Yeah, man, what y'all thoughts on the SEC, man? Piccolo Inu? Oh, man, that sounds like a rug. I'm sorry. That sounds like a rug. Is the community still active? Is the community still active? Rather be selling? Because the volume right now, $279 in 24-hour trade volume. But the thing is, whales could step in, huge exit liquidity pump. Begging for more feedback from the devs, man. You see, this is the thing, right? I saw a project similar to this. Somebody shielded to me called Treat, right? It got the same numbers like Piccolo Inu. Same numbers, you know, around 500, 800k market cap. 24 hour, oh, it got more than Piccolo. 24-hour volume though was around like 1k, 2k. Right? But the community is still active. You join the Telegram, the community is still active. So that's what I look for. If the community is still active, hey, maybe a comeback, but you know, I can't ever be too sure, man. Now would be like, again, this is the time when I get into charts, because I'm not genius enough to catch charts back here when they start their first initial run, but catching them when they're like completely dead and flatlined, you know, hey, you never know if it makes a comeback, right? Because it's right now, it's dead, it's flatlined. You get in, it does make a comeback, hooray, happy days. It doesn't, oh well. It's not like it's gonna, I don't think it's gonna just completely dump much further from here. It's out since 2021. So like this would be the range it's gonna stay in, because this is the day chart. So it's probably gonna stay in this range, around the 800k market cap range. But that doesn't mean it's gonna pump. But because it's flatline, it doesn't, as far as like the market cap continuously dropping on you, it's not gonna happen right away. So you could always rotate if you want to, because it's been like this market cap, it's been at this market cap for days, right? You see that? It's been at this market cap for days. It hasn't moved from this market cap. So It's not like you could you're not gonna lose much getting in, because it's not gonna dump much more from here. I think all the sellers are completely exhausted. So if you get tired of waiting, you put some money here, you get tired of waiting, you still be able to leave with like your you still be able to leave with like your you know, your investment. You know, the people that got wrecked on this chart aren't the people that bought in this range. The people that got wrecked are the people that bought up here. The people that got wrecked are the people that bought up here. You know, not the people that bought in this range right here. Sam said NMC on ETH. Oh man, sorry. I'd rather be selling. I'm sorry, fam. I'm sorry, my guy. It's the same thing with RFD, man. The people that bought up here. Oh man. Oof. But that's the thing about the only project that pissed me off is Pepe, because I thought it was gonna do something like that and then I would buy it. But the thing just kept going up. It just kept going up. And now it's sideways, right? Still at less than 500. I thought when it was at 100 mil market cap, when it got to 100 mil, it would crash back down to like 20 mil. 20 mil. 30 mil. It didn't do it. And I'm so pissed. I'm so pissed off. You know? I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry, rather be sailing. What about Inu? What balls? What Inu? There's so many Inus. What Inu are you talking about? What Inu are you talking about? Which Inu? They got millions of Inus. But yeah, shout out to you, Sam. Shout out to you, Bali. It's only the name Inu. Should I check out those projects for y'all? Hit me with a super chat. Let me check out your project. Like the stream. If I could ask for anything, like the stream and support my previous video right here. You know? Let me check out these projects for y'all, man. Let me check out these projects for y'all. NMC. What is this? Is this the same NMC you want, Sam? Is this a correct NMC? Cause man, oof. This is a oof right here. This is a oof. This is a oof, man. Will it make a comeback? Who knows? I've seen a lot of projects that was like completely flatlined. I don't know if the team is active or not. I don't know anything about the project. Is the Telegram still going? If the Telegram is still active and the Twitter is still active, could make a comeback, man. Oh, I saw this. It's been trending. Yeah, I saw this. Yeah, man. 8 mil market cap, made a nice move, came out a few days ago. Okay, man, that means NMC could potentially make a comeback, bro. And Inu. It's the new Shiba Inu. Okay, it's already listed on a few exchanges. Nice. Okay. I think Refund will make a comeback just because of the influencers The influencers and Blur having a crap ton of money. That's the community is also bullish. It's a very bullish community as well. So it's listed on Poloniex. Okay, few days ago. I would say pick an entry, man. You never know if it. You never know if it just it comes back down from here. I would say if you're gonna get into this, DCA in. If you already got in back here, oh, you chilling finding that dandy. Why did Refund dump? You're in Inu. Okay, nice, bro. It looks good. I'm not gonna no cap, it does look good. Got in yesterday. Okay. Nice volume. I guess this, you know, this could be the project that kicks off Inu season. You know, it could be. It looks good though. Nice call on that, man. Just might check it out, make a video. I see that it's listed on exchanges as well, so it's bullish. Yeah, frog season is over for now, that's for sure. Yeah, because we haven't seen like dog, Inu, Shiba Inu, none of them explode yet, so that's what a lot of people are waiting on, Inu season. They are waiting on Inu season, man. BRB going to buy some Inu. Man, donate to the stream rather be sailing. Come on, fam. You going to buy Inu, you ain't donating to the content creators, bro. Come on, fam. Donate to the stream, my guy. Take some of that Inu money to donate. help the boy out with some super chats. But yeah, man. Your Pop is doing. Where's Your Pop talking at? Somebody said Your Pop is speaking facts right now. Where he at? She gonna explode? It's the dollar sign in the chat. It should be like a dollar sign, right? I can't show it on my thing. Oh, I could start a poll. I mean, I never actually done this. Let me start a poll. Thanks for all the likes, man. Wow, I didn't even know I could interact with the poll like that. Nice. Oh, so he on a Twitter space right now? Awesome. Yeah, but for rather be sailing, there should be like a dollar sign so you could super chat. But yeah, man, I appreciate everybody tuning into the stream. Y'all got me chilling, man. So I'm gonna be around with y'all for another. Might just stick around for another hour. Well, that's weird. That's fine though. Rather be sailing. It's cool. I was just playing around, but you know, not really. I wasn't really playing. But yeah, like the stream, y'all. So share the stream out. Support the video, the RFD video I made as well. Let me show you what. Let me see if I could show you what I mean. I think you might be trolling me though. Let me see. You could just be trolling me. I use Dex Tools and Dex Screener. Okay, he's not monetized. Subscribers only mode, man. I don't know why it's not showing up. Do I just type in live stream? Yeah, I use both. Only subscribers only mode. But yeah, normally it would be like, you know, it would be like right next to the chat thing, rather be sailing. Like right next to the emoji thing, you'd see a $. I'm not sure why it's not showing up on these people's streams. But that's typically how it is. Let me type in Timcast. Oh man, that's so weird. What is up with YouTube, man? Is his stream that is so weird, bro. I don't know why you're not seeing it. But how would you find if a coin is legit or not, other than scan and use my plus etc. then? But this is the thing, right? Most people just go through like, okay, you check Dex Tools, see you check token sniffer, right? Check Dex Tools, check token sniffer. You check the contract verification, all of that. You check to see if the liquidity is locked or burnt, right? And then you check the community. But even so, with all of that checked out, the project could still go to zero. The project could still go to zero because it's really dependent on the community. As soon as the community is dead and nothing's there, no one's there to push it, it's over with, right? Because a contract could be 100 out of 100 on token sniffer. It could be 100 out of 100 and still fail. Right? Rick coin, is that the same one Slum Doge was in? Did it flop? Yeah, it flopped. It flopped. Nah, man, it's just this. Let me tell you what happens. People sell, right? Like the whales that got it, or the people that not all the time it's whales, but people get in early back here first, right? It's the same thing in every chart. People get in early back here, and then, you know, it makes this move. People take profits, and then after a while, people just give up and look for the next shiny object and be like, oh man, I was too late. Oh man, I didn't get in early. So then people start selling. Maybe people in the top wallets sell out. And then after all the selling, the people that try to buy in here around these levels, they realize their investment is going down. So instead of holding, because it's a meme coin, instead of holding, they'll be like, man, it better I just cut my losses and dip, right? Because guess what? No one wants to ride buying in here and ride it all the way back down here. They don't want to do that, right? I wouldn't do it either, to be honest. So, yeah. That's what happens, man. That's what happens. Yeah, so people just... I'm telling you, man, how did it because people just held. That's why. Everyone just held. Nobody was selling. Yeah, man, I gotta check out Tusky once again, man. I'm gonna do another Tusky stream. Yeah, Tusky's holding up well. Pepe was... People just held that bad boy, bro. You know, I thought it was gonna crash. When it got to 100 mil, I thought it was gonna crash. Right? They were just holding. Look at Tusky. Oh, man. Look. Wow. Tusky looking bullish. Tusky looking bullish, man. Shout out to Johnny. Shout out to Johnny. Shout out to everybody in the stream. Can anybody see like the dollar signs so that allows people to super chat, or did they change it? Normally, you know, it's right there on the stream. Cause I remember I see Rather Be Sailing saying he doesn't see it, so I'm not sure what's happening. Cause people super chat was able to super chat yesterday. It shows, okay. So that means it's just not showing for Rather Be Sailing. I think maybe it's the place you're from. No, but even if you're from outside of the US or whatever, you still can click it, but it'll show you like it's not available in your country or something. But yeah, man, Tusky looking great. Y'all been holding the floor, man. Cause I covered it a couple days. Y'all been in the 2 mil market cap range. So, you know, chart is looking like it's in an uptrend, ready for a break to the upside, man. Shout out to the Tusky fam. You're in the US. That's so weird. Have you ever super chatted before Rather Be Sailing on any other stream? Johnny, it's been hard work. I'm telling you, man. But yeah, this is what it takes, man. That's what it takes for a meme coin to send. Oh, you haven't donated to a super chat before. Interesting, man. That's so weird. I don't know why it's not showing up then. What do you think is the next 1000x? Man, that's a lot of pressure to ask me, my guy. It's a lot of pressure to ask me what would be the next 1000x. Sheesh. 1000x. Dang. He said 1000x, bro. What would be the next 1000x? You gotta find something at 1 million market cap. That's first. You gotta find something at 1 million market cap. Maybe it's the new Inu. Wouldn't that be amazing? You gotta find something at 1 million market cap first. But maybe it could go. Let me see something. Okay, I'm gonna just go off of Shiba numbers, because Shiba went to 60 billion. That's 6,000x. Oh. Yeah, 100k is possible too, but 100k is possible too. 100k is possible too, yes, but like, you think you're gonna catch a 100k market cap and get a 1000x from it? You're gonna be that guy that's so much of a genius to pull that off? Unless you got some insider friends or some from friends that know some things. That's why I said 1 million. 1 million market cap for me is always a sweet spot, because 1 million to 1 billion is 1000x. But you know, Shiba went to 60 bill market cap, so hey, maybe it's Pepe, man. Maybe it's Pepe, but you would have to enter Pepe at 100 mil market cap. Maybe it's Inu. Maybe it is Inu. Maybe it's RFD. Maybe RFD goes to 50, 60 bill market cap. The next 1000x, man. Maybe it's RFD. That's what I said. Maybe it's Refund. Shiba went to 60 bill market cap, man. Oh my gosh, man. Jeez, that's insane. Alright, crypto is insane. Man, imagine Shiba went to 60 bill market cap from nothing. Absolutely nothing in market cap. Like 5k market cap to 60 billion. Crazy, man. That's why I like Pepe went to 1.7 billion in 2 weeks. I think we just need a bull market, man. When we get a bull market, you're gonna see that more often. You're gonna see projects going from a mil to a bill in like every other week. That would be amazing. Every other week a project go from a mil to a bill market cap. Every other week, man. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, in my opinion, it's easier to rug when it's like super low market cap. The lower the market cap is. Yeah, that's why I covered Tusky and Nihao. Mononoke went to a bill. Oh, crazy. That's why I covered Tusky, because it's in that 1 to 2 mil market cap range. So like, you could see it got a lot more stability, man. Right? RFD as well, right? Look at it. It's just been in this range for days. So the possibilities of a breakout probabilities are higher, in my opinion. Right? Now, obviously, could dump from here. Nothing is guaranteed, but it's been holding, man, and that's bullish. I like that. If it was at 100k market cap, it probably would have dropped that down to 30k, 10k, quick. It's fast. Wow, if she just held. If she just held, she'd have been up 300k. Nah, Tusky is something I just covered, you know. No investment advice here, guys, obviously. No investment advice here, but yeah. I'm just giving you as an example of what I look for, right? Because I'm not the type of genius to buy meme coins back here. If I was, man, I would be the biggest YouTuber ever. I'd be the richest and biggest YouTuber ever. Everybody be like, yo, Blockchain Daily, what's the next one to explode? I'd be like, okay, this is the next one. Yeah, man, it really depends though, but you know, that's just what I look for. That's my sweet spot. I like buying projects at a mil market cap. Like, for example, they had a project called, it's an AI project. I don't know if the AI guy, the AI person is still here. It's called Viet, you know. It was chilling at a mil market cap for a while, and I got some nice profits off of it. It was chilling at a mil market cap for a minute, right? This is an altcoin. This is an AI altcoin chilling at a mil, and then boom, exploded to 48 mil, right? You can scan whale wallets too, but the project I just showed was an altcoin. It's not necessarily like a degen play. You know. Just a few $100, man. I made some profits off of it, you know. I didn't sell at the 48 mil range, you know. Got a nice 10x. Was thankful for the 10x. I'll take a 10x. But I'm just showing you, man. Crypto, man. as long as you get better and better at it, man, you could crush it. Cause I'm sure they got, you know, if you keep trying and be your best, you could be the guy that gets into not meme coins but projects as soon as they launch on ETH, and then like get crazy senders, right? If you work hard enough at it. That's gonna you're probably gonna take a lot of losses along the way though. Oh, so you got in early, but you got out early. I got you. You got out too early. You see, that's the thing. If you didn't invest more than you was willing to lose, you probably would have held. Okay. It's more money in crypto and stocks. I got you. Bob to the moon. Hey, shout out to Bob, Andrew. Bob is good. I like Bob. Bob is all over the internet. Oh, you wrote it to 100 mil market cap, but it went down to. You gotta always take profits, man. You have to. Even if you just take out like. Always leave in a moon bag. Always leave in a moon bag. But guess what? You always have to take profits out, man. Just don't dump your whole bags. Take profits, especially if you're riding up something. Leave in that moon bag. Get them profits. Yeah, Bob is flatline too, man. Shout out to Bob. I like Bob. I like Bob. Bob is good. Fake AI. 859k. Oh yeah, this looks good. This looks good. 190k trade volume. Oh, you got taxes though. Whales might not like the taxes. Zero tax tokens are the new meta. If you got taxes, whales be like, oh, you got taxes. That's a tax farm. Deep fake technology. Oh, okay. You could use it to deep fake popular people.
Hope you found
a video. Come on, video load. Ball. Look, projects, like, you say projects are rugs. You say projects are rugs, but it's not necessary. If it's a zero tax token, it's not necessarily a rug because the LP didn't get pulled, and there's no taxes, right? So it's not a rug. It's just that the community and the investors, the retail space, the retail people buying the project, they just sold out. The whales sold out. Everybody sold out. So it's not a rug. It's just that the community gave up on the project. What's happening here? Yeah, that's the liquidity pool. Yeah, a rug is when somebody pull the liquidity, or the dev sells on, like the dev got a fat wallet and sells on sells on everyone. Yeah, man, it got Tusky's tax modifiable per text tools. I think the contract on Tusky is renounced. Oh yeah, if the contract is renounced, they can't change anything either as well. That's another thing, right? So you can't really say it's a rug pull. You just gotta say you got out traded. because it's player versus player in this space, right? It's player versus player. Like RFD, if the LP's burnt, which is up here, total liquidity, the LP's burnt, meaning they can't pull the liquidity. There's no taxes. It's not a honeypot. The contract is renounced, so they can't change anything, modify the taxes, right? People that say, oh yeah, RFD's a rug pull, is because they bought up here and then wrote it down, so then they got wrecked. But instead you got out traded by people that bought here, because it's player versus player. Yeah, renounce is good. Renounce is good. When they renounce the contract, means that they can't change, they can't modify the taxes, right? So you can't say, oh, it's a rug pull or a scam. You just got out traded, bro. People got to take accountability. That's what I think. Yeah, exactly, Johnny. You should check the contract to Inu. It's insane. But yeah, fake AI, I'm telling you, the chart looks good. You know, it could have some legs. You know, I'm just kind of overtaxed tax tokens. I'm just kind of overtaxed tokens, but it looks good. Don't get me wrong. Let's see what we got. Yeah. So the contract is renounced. See, token sniffer shows the contract is renounced for deep fake AI. Excuse me, y'all. Yeah, but something like Inu would be more my speed, because, you know. Wait, hold on. Let's see something real quick. What's going on with the liquidity for Inu? Let's see. And you check everything, bro. Check Etherscan, check Dex, token sniffer, check everything. You see, like here, token sniffer. Inu would be more my speed. Contract renounced. Good circulating supply. LP burnt. 99% LP burnt, you know. That doesn't mean the project can't still fail. It can still fail, bro, because guess what? The players that bought down here, whoever those players are, could just dump it on our heads, you know. But if they're diamond handed, you know, if they're people that hold and want to see the success of the project, then you could see a huge sender out of this, right? Remember, they got people that bought down here that got big wallets, and then a couple of them sell together, or one sell, the community gets bearish, everybody gets bearish, then just a bunch of panic sells to bring it back down. But if they're diamond handers, you know, and people get in, you can push the price up, right? Liquidity being burnt, meaning the contract is like the liquidity pool is like burnt to a dead address, a null address, and that means the liquidity can't be pulled, and it's just gonna be on the blockchain forever, right? So it's not the same as a lock, but you could consider it as a lock, right? So that means the liquidity is just gonna be on the blockchain forever, so nobody could pull the liquidity, especially with it, and also with the contract being renounced, nobody could pull the liquidity. If they want the coin to succeed, you need diamond hands. But I don't know if the days of diamond hands are over. That's what Pepe was. It just had a bunch of diamond hands, man. That's what it was. You need diamond hands. But guess what? It's player versus player. So guess what? Nobody wants to hold anymore, right? People want to take profits instantly. But if you got like a base community with a bunch of diamond hands, you could get a Pepe. But eventually people are gonna start selling, and that's just how it is. So you gotta know when to take profits. You have to always take profits. Yeah, they had whales before the pump that was holding up the chart, right? But the whales were holding the chart. It's only after a certain amount of time that the whales got out. because the bigger and bigger it got, that's when the whales slowly took profits. There were smart whales in Pepe and RFD. Yeah, maybe it's only in the maybe it's only in the bull market people hodl. Maybe it's only I think crypto investors are getting smarter and smarter, right? And because of market conditions as well. In the bull market, everything goes up, so people, I guess, hodl more. I'm guessing that's what happens. In the bull market, people hodl more. But remember though, these are degen projects. Everything on just Uniswap, that launched through Uniswap, doesn't really have a fleshed out use case utility with liquidity. These are more degens. Even RFD is I would consider RFD to be a degen play, even though it's on KuCoin, right? Even though it's on KuCoin. Now there's altcoins that you could buy and eventually go with the market, right? So there's altcoins that you could buy and go with the market. So you could hold those and not have to worry, because eventually as time goes by, they make moves with the market. Like for example, like Gala or VRA, right? But people love the volatility of Uniswap projects, I would say. Degen ETH projects. They love the volatility of them because they could pump so hard. They could pump so hard like Pepe did.
This helpful. If you still have any questions, feel free to join our Telegram group. Link is at the top of the website. Enjoy, mofos.
Deepfake AI, man. Yeah, Gala is a great investment. I'm not gonna. This is not financial advice, obviously, but Gala is great. That's a great one right there. You just gotta hold that in your wallet, in your ledger, or not in your hardware wallet, because it, ledger got FUD. Ledger got FUD, but yeah, you just buy like Gala or something like that. Hold that in your wallet. Yeah, shout out to Deepfake AI. The deepfake looked cool. It didn't look that bad. Yeah, you could buy it on KuCoin. It's better to buy on the exchange. It's better to buy on the exchange. But you have to withdraw it. You have to withdraw it to your wallet, man. Don't keep it on the exchange. Whatever altcoins y'all got, don't keep them on the exchange. Withdraw it to your wallet. Even if you just got MetaMask. Yeah. But even if you just got MetaMask, hold it on your MetaMask or Trust wallet, and until you get your hardware wallet. Am I a Jasmine fan? Yeah, Jasmine bullish, man. Jasmine super bullish. And this is the thing. You remember how we covered I don't think the same guys here, but we covered another project with the supply. What was it called? FUL? Fulcrum. Look at the tokenomics for Fulcrum, right? 548 million. It's safe without a hardware wallet on MetaMask and Trust wallet, yes. But the safest place to put it is on a hardware wallet, whether it be Ledger, Trezor, etc. Right? But don't keep it on the exchange. That's what I'm trying to say. The least safest place is the exchange, because exchanges could collapse. Like we've seen it, right? They could collapse tomorrow. All your money's gone. 548 mil. This was full, right? 548 mil circulating with 20 bills total supply, right? 20 bills total supply. That's not good tokenomics in my opinion. Jasmine got great tokenomics. Look, 50 bill total supply and 47 bills circulating. And who knows, Jasmine could hit $1. KuCoin is safe, but you never know, man. You never know. Jasmine could potentially hit $1. You never know. 50 bill market cap for Jasmine. If Shiba Inu could hit 50 bill, why can't Jasmine? The full supply is out. You know what I'm saying? $500 in Jasmine, you get 100k Jasmine. Goes to $1, you just made 6 figures. Yeah, Jasmine's bullish. These are altcoins. You could leave your money here and not have to worry. You don't gotta worry if you leave your money in one of these ones, right? You just gotta wait till the bull market is back, and you know, sell whenever it's the bull market. Hey, RFD family, mount up. Shout out to you, Mr. Whale. You know, but these type of projects don't have that same volatility as projects, just, you know, Uniswap type projects, right? They don't got the same type of volatility, right? Only in a bull run, I would think. You know, the ETH projects got the volatility that retail investors love. They love that volatility, man. They love getting in, and it pumps crazily in the same time they buy it. Yeah, the opposite is true. Like they hate when it dumps hard on them. But hey, risk reward, man. The higher the risk, the more the reward. When does the bull market come back? Either next year or the year after. It's gonna be tied into the Bitcoin halving. I'm telling you, man. Hey, shout out to you, Mr. Whale. You could see a reversal on RFD, man. You know, as long as it got influencers in it, man. Oh, of course we could see a reversal on RFD, man. Yes, it's normal. Like all the previous bull markets was tied into the Bitcoin halving. All the previous bull markets was tied into the Bitcoin halving. Oh, Litecoin is having its when is the Litecoin halving? Also, like the stream, people. Support my previous RFD video that I made. Support that, please. And if you can, donate with super chats. You know, the YouTube channel viewership is so tiny. You know, the revenue is so tiny. So if you can, please donate with super chats. I'd appreciate it, man. Let me see. Litecoin halving. Litecoin gonna pump hard after the halving for sure, or before. Litecoin halving countdown. 58 days. Wow. Okay. Maybe I should buy some Litecoin for the like dead ass. Maybe pick up some Litecoin for the pump, man. Get out as soon as it's done pumping. Like that. Like that'd be the smartest thing to do. You could already see it's on an uptrend, man. It's already on its uptrend leading up to the halving. You know? Not a bad. I'm telling you, buy Litecoin before it pumps for the halving. Get some profit. You know? Everything is Bali. Everything to me is like it's created. It's created, like all of it is like fake. Like not fake but controlled. It's a controlled demolition. Because what they want to do, they want to take the dollar out of power, or the dollar as we know, the DXY, right? And they want to replace it with central bank digital currencies. Yeah, but Bali, even if it's at 6 bill market cap, it could make a 2-3x, you know? You get a 2-3x, you ain't happy for that? The halving for it is 2 months. if Bitcoin pumps before it's halving, obviously Litecoin would pump before it's halving. You know, you get a 2-3x on Litecoin, you put that in somewhere else. We don't want CBDCs, we want crypto and be free. That's a fact. But like I said, it's all a controlled demolition, man. They put, you know, everything is put in place so they could reset the financial system as we know it and then implement CBDCs. And this is why I took the chance and took the risk to get into crypto. I could have just been like, you know, making YouTube videos on other content that got a ton of views. I'm telling you guys. But I know where the future is heading, and that's why I'm betting on crypto, man. I'm betting on it. You know? Because when the financial system resets, that's when crypto will see its true shine. And I'm not sure how many projects will go absolutely bonkers, but you know, a lot of money will be made, man. So just find some good projects and buy them. Not financial advice. I know it's fun, it's great to play around with meme coins and degens, but get some good altcoins as well. Get some good altcoins as well, because the explosion is gonna be huge, man. We just spoke about Gala. We just spoke about Jasmine. Those two good altcoins right there. You know? XRP and XLM. Hey, they are bullish, Mr. Whale. You know, but I'm talking more like low cap good altcoins. SUIP. Let's see what's up with that. SUIP. Is it the Binance one I'm looking at right here? Or I gotta check CoinGecko. Is it SuiPad? Is it this? Oh, it's the launch pad for Sui Network. Okay, I'm not too familiar on Sui, but if it's the launch pad for Sui Network, it could. Yo, this could be a play, man. No cap. No cap. Look at the partners. GBV. I already know these people. NGC as well. Yeah, man. DAO Maker. Yep. Good Games Guild. Yep. Yeah, man, yep, I already know. Okay, I already know. From I scroll through it, this is a banger right here. Yep. It's a banger right here, man. Good call on that, Mr. Whale. This is a good one right here. Tokenomics aren't bad at all. What's the market cap? I can't see the market cap, though. It's on Sui Network. Oh, it's on Mexi though. It's on Mexi and KuCoin. Okay, nice. Make your money, dump it into XRP and XLM and be a millionaire. Shout out to XRP and XLM, man. I know about router protocol. I know about router protocol. Everybody bullish on router for sure. Yep, this one right here. Yep, people bullish on this one. Yep. $3 per coin. Yeah, this is a bullish one. Artemis. I never heard of that one though. What is that? Moinwell. What's that? Well, what is this? Oh, 2 mil market cap. I like that. But they got tokenomics like Fulcrum. I gotta look into the vesting schedule. 500 mil, 5 bills total. Oh, this is on Moon River or Moonbeam. Yeah, y'all put me onto some gems, man. Moon River need to make a comeback. Moonbeam need to make Moonbeam. People sleeping on Moonbeam. This need to make a comeback, bro. On KuCoin and Gate.io, Huobi. This need it's at 2.5 mil market cap. That's what I'm saying. This is the type of entries I look for, man. You know, these are the type of entries I'm looking at. It's literally close to the bottom of the of its cycle. It's still at the bottom. It's only like up like 20% from the bottom of its cycle. You know, this right here is a banger. I'm telling you. You just put a few hundred here. You just forget it. You check back. You got a potential 10x, 20x on your hands, man. This one right here, Moonwell. I already checked it and see like, yo, this is a banger right here. It's on KuCoin as well too. KuCoin, Gate, Huobi. It's like a DeFi project for Moonbeam. And Moonbeam is like a blockchain, like with Moon connected to Moon River. A lot of people are bullish on Moonbeam. Moonbeam just might make a comeback too. Like, I don't see anybody talking about Moonbeam and Moon River. And then when they make a comeback, guess what makes a comeback with them? Moonwell. I'm not into the Pulse ecosystem at all, Mr. Whale. But I know Pulse is bullish. I'm not in the Pulse ecosystem at all. I don't know heads or tails about it, man. I don't know heads or tails about Pulse. I don't know heads or tails about it, but I know it's been crushing it, man. That's for the Hex guys. The Hex guys. Yeah, the Hex guys for sure. Coinbase crashed? Nah. Coinbase ain't crashing. Well, you know, you never know. If FTX did, you never know. Yeah, but if you're gonna store Moonwell, you're probably gonna have to set up the Moonbeam network to your ledger. You're gonna have to set up Moonbeam network. You're probably gonna have to get a Moonbeam wallet or something like that. Maybe the Moonbeam wallet could connect to Ledger. Yeah. This is the wallet, sub wallet. Maybe you just download the sub wallet then. Maybe you can't connect to the Ledger. Maybe you just have to use their wallet. It's like Casper, where you have to get the Casper wallet. Shiba gonna pump again, man. When Shiba pumps, all the Inus gonna pump, man. Y'all see I covered Sheena and Sani on my channel, man. Don't fade those Inus, man. Sheena and Sani. Don't fade those Inus. They got the right influences in those ones, man. What reminds you of Matic? Moonwell? Okay. Loonsea, I don't know, man. I don't know about Luna Classic, man. I think those, I don't know, man. I can't hate on any project, but I'm not necessarily bullish on Luna Classic. I'm not. I don't know. Maybe I start covering it on the channel, man. I don't know. Is people still bullish on it, man? Is people still bullish on Loonsea? Cause I saw it was pumping, man. Look at this. I saw somebody said, "Why is Loonsea pumping?" Johnny, man. Johnny, you flexing out here, man. You was an early Matic investor. Matic is great. Johnny, you was an early Matic investor and I'm asking for super chats and you can't help the boy out? Oh my gosh, my guy. You can't help the boy out with some super chats? You was an early Matic investor and VeChain? Oh my gosh. Wildin'. Hey, if you're in the stream still, man, like the stream. Share the stream out. Support my previous RFD video, man. Another mix done. What time? Oh my gosh. Another mix done. Y'all want to go for one more hour with me? What y'all say? One more hour. One more hour. What y'all say? Yo, I am upset, okay? I never got Matic, bro. I am upset, okay? Matic was one of those ones, bro, and I would have bought it so quick. I am upset. I got into crypto just a tad bit too late, guys. I got in at the end of the last cycle. Just around the end of the last cycle, guys. And honestly, I could have already made 6 figures with some trades, man, but I kept fumbling bags, bro. I kept fumbling bags. I could have already made 6 figures, man. But this is why I say you just got to keep going and keep trying, bro. That's all you got to do, man. And then once you get that first 6 figures from crypto, then you could get to 7 figures easy, for sure. Because now you already got the 6 figures. You got so much more assets to invest, right? You could put 10K here, 10K there, 10K there, right? Yeah, Casper is bullish, man. Casper is super. If you could get 100K Casper, like out of all the projects we've talked about, you know, especially since we talked about Matic, if you could get 100K Casper, my guys, if you could get 100K Casper, I gotta cover Casper on the channel, but I think too much people talking about it. But maybe I'll make a video on it and see what happens if people support it. I think it's kind of oversaturated, but maybe I'll get viewers for checking out Casper. But if you could get 100K Casper, this is an altcoin that I'm saying, like, yo, you know, this one right here, bullish. $1,500, $1,540, 100K Casper gonna change your life, in my opinion. Okay, this is the next Matic. This one is the next Matic. Hey, Johnny Blockchain, my guy, thank you so much for the super chat, my guy. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate that, bro. I got y'all for another hour, man. Johnny made me stick around, man. We here for another hour. Jeez. It's been 2 hours of streaming already. Jeez Louise. Route, very bullish. I see a lot of people talking about Route, man. Route being the next Matic, I wouldn't rule it out. Casper, Route, those two. I look at blockchains, my guy. I look at smart contracts, scalability, secure. You know, Route for sure. So I'll put Route. Moonwell looks good because it's low market cap, but you know, Route to me would be a unicorn. You went. I'm telling you, man, we need to sell our sweet nectar for crypto. Whale, okay. If I was a female OnlyFans, if I was a female, I'd be on OnlyFans, and then I'll be buying crypto with my OnlyFans money, man. I'm telling you, selling my sweet nectar for the crypto. I'd be on OnlyFans right now, finessing all the simps to buy crypto. I'm telling you. You fumbled 30,000 Route. Jeez. Hey, man, look. Don't worry about it, man. Look, crypto is not going anywhere, okay? Crypto is 30,000 Route. How much is that, my guy? 1, 2, 3, 11K. Okay, that's not too crazy. But still a lot. That's a lot. 30,000 Route more than likely would have made you a millionaire. But guess what? There's always other opportunities, right? Crypto is not going anywhere. I'm tired of people getting upset when they miss this or miss that. I'm one of them because I missed a lot and I could have caught a lot as well. But there's always another opportunity. Rather be sailing. Thank you so much for the $20, my guy. Wow. Y'all are super generous, man. Thank y'all so much, man. That really helps out the channel, man. I'm telling y'all. Because the views for crypto ain't there. They're just non-existent. Even if you drop in gems, right? Even if you drop gems, man. But yeah, man. It's not too late to buy Casper. Been here that no, it's not too late to buy. It's actually the best time because it's on a nice dip. I gotta make a video on Casper, man. It's on a nice dip right now because, you know, I saw Casper somewhere back here, man, and I faded, man, and then it just kept going up, kept going up, kept going up. But as you could see, man, as from the chart, it's still super bullish. Like, it's not gonna come down, man, in my opinion. Like, it may retrace a bit more from here, but as long as you could accumulate 100,000 of these bad boys, that's it. You only need 100,000 of these bad boys, my guy. I'm telling you. And make sure you get the wallet to put the Casper on your wallet. You only need 100K of these. Don't go overboard, you know. It's 90K. What? Did I type in the wrong thing? How much? Oh, it's 90K. My bad. I typed in the wrong thing. Jeez. Sorry, Johnny. My gosh. Don't worry about it, though. There's always other opportunities, my guy. There's always other opportunities. Render? I heard about Render. Everybody talking about Render, man. Render bullish. How, is it still at $1 right now? It's at $2 now. Jeez. Yo, Render, guys. Jeez, yeah, Johnny, 75K. Jeez, don't worry about it, man. There's always other opportunities. I'm telling you. Yeah, but getting Render at $1 would have been a sweet buy. Getting some Render at $1 would have been an amazing buy. Trust me. You know, I remember seeing Render. Now it's up around 2x. Because I remember seeing it at $1 something. So it's around 2x right now. 400 Render. Maybe if you could get your hands on 1,000 Render. Just around 1,000 Render. 1,000 Render would be amazing. Everybody bullish on Render, in my opinion. Learn your lessons and don't repeat them. Facts. Always remember to hold. Hold. If it's a good altcoin, hold. Please hold. Right? Hold. Hold it. Don't sell it. Hold it. Wait. Wait until the right moment to sell, man. Yeah, but Bali, Render is bullish. Okay? It's kind of expensive now to get 1,000 Render. But even if you could get like 500 Render. 500 Render. That's a W right there. I'm only giving you guys amounts that are doable, right? You know, Render super bullish, Casper, Route Protocol, and then guess what? Even if you don't get crazy wins, this cycle, you could always. Even if you don't get crazy wins this cycle, you could always get wins in the next cycle and the next cycle. Cause I'm telling y'all, right? Bitcoin is the next S&P 500. I don't care what nobody says. And look at the S&P 500 chart from 1983. It's just been up. Bitcoin will keep going up. So people that say next cycle is the last bull market, I doubt it. I doubt it. There's always gonna be future bull markets because Bitcoin is not going anywhere. And there's always gonna be opportunities in the space for 100x's, in my opinion. You know, it might become increasingly more difficult with regulation in the US, but the US doesn't make the world. You know, Hong Kong literally said it's gonna be the crypto hub of the world. Hong Kong got more people than, you know, China got more people than the US. Imagine all them people in China replace the US buyers, right? So yeah, it's gonna be difficult for people in the US to get in crypto though, in my opinion. That's gonna be the tough part though. But yeah, look at the S&P, man, just up. Even in this bear market, it's still just been up, and so will Bitcoin. So will the same thing be for Bitcoin. So there's always other opportunities. Even if you feel like you're fumbling right now, there's always gonna be another opportunity. Yeah, so shout out to Render, shout out to Casper dumped because, you know, people take profits, but it's still on a macro uptrend, in my opinion. It's still on a macro uptrend. And it's listed on KuCoin now too, so it's easier to buy it, you know. Still on a macro uptrend, man. It's super. Casper is super bullish, my guys. Like, it's super bullish. Voice crack and all. Casper is super bullish. I don't know if it's gonna come back down to the 1 cent range. If it does, that's gonna be amazing. As long as you can lock in 100K of them bad boys, in my opinion, you straight. You ain't gotta go over 100K. It's like getting 100K Matic, and then Matic went to $3, right? Matic went to $3 and you had 100K, 300K. Casper could potentially go to $2-3. Yeah, that's why Render is doing all the hype it has, because Apple is a part of it. Been speaking 1 mil well for about 7 weeks. Already got 76K. Oh, well is gonna do great for you, man, and especially since the market cap is so low. All it needs is Moonbeam to make a comeback. Moonbeam and Moonriver. I think in the bull run, man, like, trust me, man, like, all them plays y'all got, all the plays we got, gonna crush it. Apple sign with Render. I think so, man. Render is bullish, like, no doubt about it. Render is bullish. What? What? What kind of Twitter glitch? What kind of Twitter glitch? Apple W. Oh, so they got an Apple event coming up, so that's why it's already moving up. Jeez, okay. They got an Apple event incoming. Oh man, that's crazy. WWDC free 23. Wow. This man right here. WWDC free. There's only one tech that can render the amount of GPU to take Apple into the future. Man, Apple and yo. Apple and Render. Whoa. Whoa. Yo. You know, that's crazy. Can't wait till XRP hits 10,000. I'll be a billionaire. I'll buy an island and call it Rancho Cucamonga. Sweet nectar. Shout out to you, Mr. Will. Yo, XRP is gonna crush it, man. I'm never gonna be bearish on XRP, man. I don't care what anybody says. XRP is gonna crush it. If y'all can, man, like the stream. Support my previous RFD video. We kind of got sidetracked. We don't have... We kind of got sidetracked, but that's how streaming is, man. It's about fun, man. It's about having fun. That's what crypto is also about. RFD super bullish project, in my opinion. Yeah, Casper is on KuCoin. It got listed recently. Also, rather be sailing. Found it by touching Johnny blockchains. Found it by touching. Oh, my bad. Oh, I see. I thought you was joking. Cause touching Johnny blockchain sounds kind of funny, you know. Rather be sailing, but you touched his super chat, and that's how you got to see it. I appreciate y'all so much, man. If y'all could support the channel with super chats, man, it really helps out. You know, I'm gonna be doing my best to do a stream daily, and this is the type of stream I like, where we talk about altcoins, we talk about meme coins, we talk about it all. XRP the gold standard, and I agree. You know, nah, it's something Rather Be Sailing said. He couldn't find the super chat ticker, right? The thing to click the super chat, but when he clicked your super chat, that's how he found his. But he said, what he said was, I found it by touching Johnny blockchains. So I'm like, wait, he touched you? What do you mean by that? But I was just, you know, confused what he meant. 2 hours into the stream, man. We going crazy. RFD crushing it, man. Router crushing it. Render crushing it. Cast crushing it. Man. I wish I was a whale to just drop like 10k in the render right now. I wish I could just drop 10k in the render right now, bro. Like dead ass. But we gonna get there, man. We gonna get there. We gonna get there for sure. That would be the best buy the rumor sell the news event right there with render. Drop 10k into router. Get 4k route protocol. You just drop 10k into all great projects. Drop 10k into RFD. You know, but we building. We gonna get there. But yeah, man. Appreciate all of you guys that tune in and in the stream right now, chilling with me. Got 7 people watching. Bullish. RFD community stand up. Let's keep talking about altcoins, man. That, hey, not financial advice, Bali, but 100k of them bad boys, in my opinion, gonna do great. You know, 100k Casper gonna do great, in my opinion. Not financial advice. Never invest more than you're willing to lose, okay? But I would be more happier telling someone buy this instead of like a meme coin that I cover, right? Because they way more riskier. Like, you know, Sheena and Sanin, you know, $1,000 in those could go far. But I would prefer saying, hey, if you do have 1,000, put it into like Casper, right? Or route or render. But hey, Bali, this the thing though. DCA, if you're gonna buy any project, DCA, don't buy everything right away. You know, do it over the course of like a week, every week or so. You buy some. You know, don't buy everything. Just buy a bag and then it dumps on you and like, dang, I shouldn't have bought the whole bag right away. So I was telling folks yesterday who are disappointed about to drop to hold, don't sell. Watch what happens next. RFD, Pepe, Shiba, boom, boom, boom. That's a fact, man, Mr. Whale. Like mad, it became to the top 2 to go to layer 2. Route will be the go-to bridge. Hey, I see people bullish on route, man, so I wouldn't rule it out. $1,000 plus for route. What's the tokenomics? Yeah, it could pull it off. It could pull off $1,000 plus. 20 mil supply. This is like Bitcoin supply. This is over the years. Yeah, it could pull it off, man. $1,000 plus for route. $1,000 plus for route. So what? Let me see. $1,000 plus for route. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah. I can see it, man. It got this. It got tokenomics like Bitcoin, man. $1,000 plus. You got even if you got 100 of these bad boys, and it go to $1,000. Oh my gosh. No, man, don't FOMO. Don't ever learn from your mistakes, Bali, because you never know if it might retrace or not. It's bullish, yes, but it might retrace, my guy. That's why I say DCA. But it does look like it's breaking out, man. It's up 4% right now. You know? Hey, who knows, man? Could have been a great decision. I don't use stock twits, actually. Could have been a great decision because it's up 5%, man. It could, you know, it could be starting another leg up. And then you just made the best buy ever, Bali, to be honest. Because, hey, the chart to me is bullish, man. This ain't... Casper ain't bearish. I don't care what nobody say. This thing is a beast. It's a beast, bro. You know why Casper so bullish? Is because it got miners. They literally got people mining Casper like how Bitcoin is being mined. They got people mining Casper right now as we speak. You know, Casper miners, 24K views, new Casper miner, right? This is what I'm saying. This is use case. This is what crypto is all about. New Casper miner from Voxcoin. Voxcoin, huge YouTube channel, right? Casper is a beast, y'all. I'm telling y'all, Casper is a beast, man. Don't fade. You know? RFD, man. RFD community, what y'all saying? 5 people watching the stream. Thank y'all for tuning in. Facts. We're about to enter the biggest bull in crypto. Buy and hold. What? When RFD pulls this reversal, we gonna be chilling, man. people already thought it failed. Nah, it ain't failed. Just follow the whale wallets, man. Thank y'all so much for tuning into the stream, man. Like the stream, share the stream, support my previous RFD video. I should make I'm gonna make a Casper video, man. I'm bullish on it, but I never made a video on it. I'm gonna make a Casper video. I have no idea, man. No idea when it could get listed on Binance, but as you can see here from the tokenomics, man, full supply circulating. Everything is out and circulating. Everything is out and circulating. The market cap and the FDV. I remember CZ saying when the tokenomics are there's supply that could be added to the circulating supply, the price collapses. But when the full supply is out, he's more bullish on projects when the full supply is out, and you can see that with Casper, right? Same thing with Pepe. Pepe 2 RFD, you know, Pepe, the full supply is out, you know. RFD, you know, full supply is out, you know. $100 mil RFD could go very far, man. 100 mil RFD. But never invest more than you're willing to lose. RFD is a sweet nectar. Liquidity on RFD is super bullish. I heard, I saw on a tweet that Blur added like 100 ETH or some, not 100 ETH, but some crazy amount to the liquidity. Some crazy amount when I was checking Twitter. Yeah. Oh wait, 100 ETH. Yeah, 100 plus ETH to the liquidity pool. Yeah, man. Bullish, man. Yeah, he been leaving clues, man. Yeah, man, I appreciate y'all joining the stream, man. When the this EDM thing is over, that's when I'm gonna end the stream. So we got around another half hour. Dang, I didn't expect to stream this long. $0.01 RFD, man. Yo, $0.01 RFD? Yo, that'd be crazy. That'd be insane. That'd be insane, my guy. Wow, $0.01 RFD, and it could happen too. Nothing's impossible, man. Read his messages. Yeah, man, I saw some of them, man. All these cryptic messages. He leaving clues, yep. But yeah, man, y'all keep chatting to me, man. Keep talking, man. Let's have a convo. Let's keep the convo going. Let me share the stream one more time. RFD Road to Recovery. Share the stream again. I didn't work out today. I gotta stop being lazy, man. I gotta work out every day, man. Could do some push-ups before bed, you know. After the stream ends, I could do some push-ups, you know. Get a little something in. Top G status. Let's go. Top G. Top G status with RFD, man. Let's go. Top G.
Really malicious. They believe Donald Trump is a bad man. So when they're trying to make people hate Donald Trump, which is what they do, there's no doubt about it. Every single...
Top G.
He's gonna kill you!
Oh yeah, feels good.
I can't win! You don't understand? I can't stop! Slow down! I'm gonna win! I'm gonna win! Fuck both of you! Fuck
Until tomorrow.
Fuck you! We're till tomorrow! We're till tomorrow! Fuck you!
Top G, you know. Shout out to you, Mr. Whale. Bali, Johnny, where y'all at, man? Everybody that was in here earlier. Rather be sailing, where y'all at, man? Let's go. Let's turn up. Let's go, man. Represent Texas in this beat. Oh, you from Texas, Whale? You went with Casper, man. Oh, you scrolling Telegram and Twitter. Yo, this man Bali he just went to get himself some Casper. Yo, Bali, you cracking me up, my guy. Shout out to Texas, man. Shout out to Texas, Whale. One of the only states that still has America, you know, as like, you know, one of the few states that still has pride in the American flag, man. Shout out to Texas. You know, this man, This man Bali went with the cast. Let's see some charting for cast. So people wouldn't be surprised BTC hits 50k this year, and cast going to 14 cents. 14 cents for cast, Bali is this guy's target for cast. And the bull cycle peak will be much higher, right? That's a 10x from here for cash, right? That's a 10x from here. Yeah, that's a 10x, around a 10x from here. Yep. Oh, they're doing ledger integration. Oh man, that's bullish. Yeah, man. Why you say they don't mess with Texas? Why they say they don't mess with Texas? Oh, RXD. Y'all really don't play, man. Shout out to Texas, man. Shout out to Texas. Y'all still believe in that American pride, man. It's great to see. Dion is bullish. I'm looking at other projects right now, actually. Yeah. I got a little sidetrack, you know. Looking at other projects right now. Dion is bullish. I covered Dion on my channel like way back. Like way back I covered Dion. I probably can't find the video, but I covered it way back, man. But I'm more bullish on cash, in my opinion. Yeah, cash is one of those ones that I think could, just like route Pull-O-Matic. Our flag flies the same height as the US flag. Awesome, whale. That's what I like to hear, man. America, man. I don't like what's happening with this whole woke stuff, all the agendas being pushed. You know, I don't like none of it, man. Get it all out of here, man. I'm telling you. Tell you about it, man. I had to like literally like tune out so much social media because of it, man. Like I don't know what, like I don't know where they plan to take the world, man. But it's not, they're not taking it in a good place at all. People are also bullish on Rio, Bali. I don't know if you're interested in Rio. You're European, but you're US. Explain that, man. I'm not sure what you mean. But yeah, man. RFD, man, one of them memes could crush it, could absolutely crush it, man. you know. I'm glad that you guys in the RFD community are very, you know, diversified and like know about altcoins too. I like to see that. Oh yeah, they're trying to demasculate people, right? They don't want people to be strong and men to be strong and fit no more. They want us to be weak, docile, and just be able to be easily controlled, you know. They don't want us to be rich and successful and have a bunch of property and can stand up against the government and stuff like that. They don't want that, you know. They don't want that, Will, but we gonna push back. We gonna keep fighting. That's why, again, this is why I'm bullish on crypto, for the decentralization. Nobody could control. If you make $1 million in crypto, Whale, which you probably already have or will, right, from XRP and all the other projects you're bullish on, RFD, guess what? That's your money. They can't get that. The CBDCs, none of that could touch that money, bro. You know, that's so bullish to me, man. That's so amazing, man. You just take that money, go to a country that accepts crypto, and then you have a life. You make a life there for freedom. You're American first, Bosnian second, Albanian third. Okay, we don't play in Texan. On top of that, we don't take crap. That's a fact. You should never take crap. We say it like it is, like a man and woman. Woman and man has his place. A woman has her place, and that's a fact. They're trying to erode the nuclear family, Whale. That's clear as day, man. They don't want people to have kids no more. So the best way to erode that is to stop people from having families, like get married, have kids. Right? They don't want people to have kids. They want to depopulate the earth. You know, they wanna make men weak so they're easily controlled, you know. And they just want this earth to be full of depravity, man. Depravity. And people that don't stand for anything. You thought I was you thought he was a New Yorker. You talk about Whale, Johnny? 14 mil market cap seems to be the level for RFD, man. I would so love a bounce. Leave the Jeets in the dust, man. Oh my gosh. Thanks for everybody tuning into the stream, man. Like the stream, share the stream out, support my previous RFD video. You know, if you can support the stream by donating with super chats, I'd appreciate it, man. Cause the YouTube views ain't for crypto ain't jack. But you know, you gotta keep pushing, keep grinding. I want to see everybody successful and win that are good people, man. Y'all in the stream, by just talking to y'all, I could tell y'all are good people. You know, y'all deserve success, man. All of y'all deserve success. Don't let the government and the system and all the evil and depravity of this world bring you down. We gotta keep pushing, man. You know, I'm a bird tomorrow and I'm a woman the next day. I'm a cat. I identify as an RFD. That's what I identify as. I identify as a Casper, a Refund, a Route. That's what I identify as. I identify as a Moonwell. Oh, you thought I was a New Yorker. Now, I'm not from New York. I probably got family in New York though, but my family in Florida. So you could say I'm a Floridian, but I'm in the Caribbean right now. From the Bronx. How's people from the Bronx talk? Word to my mama from the Bronx. What to my mama? Word to my mom. Word to my dukes. Word to my dukes. I'm from the Bronx. You ain't got nothing, son. You ain't saying nothing. You ain't from the boroughs. From Flatbush, nigga. I am an N-word, so I can say the N-word. My apologies if I offend anyone, but I am an N-word. I was born a man, but I identify as a woman. Who are you to judge? Right? Imagine, like, Will. They wake up one morning. Hey, I'm a woman now, so you gotta call me Miss now. Yes. Yesterday I was a man, but today I am a woman. I identify as a judge. Yeah, lock them up. I identify as a judge, and I identify that you get locked up. Lock them up. Yeah, but think about it though. Like y'all saw them stories. Like y'all saw them stories with like people. They're men, right? But they identify as women before they get locked up, and then go into women's prisons, and all of a sudden women are getting pregnant in women's prisons. Like, come on, man. I'm telling you, like, they just want depravity, man. The system, whatever this is, man, this simulation that we're in, they want it to be as defiled as possible. They want it to be as defiled as possible, man. Yeah, man, I got a little accent, you know. Bumbleclot and them things, you know. 14.1 mil market cap. RFD, man. I tell you, RFD holding strong. It's the B system. Oh, Johnny, don't get into it, my guy. Don't get into it, cause I would go off on a tangent talking about the B system, man. That's why I like crypto so much, because they got so many people in crypto that are aware of what's happening in the world. So they chose crypto as like this place so they could attain the freedom to survive what is coming of all the evil that is about to unfold, man. Cause things are just gonna get worse, in my opinion. And eventually it's going to lead to them going after your kids, man. It's going to lead to minor attractive persons and youth attractive persons not getting prosecuted. You know? Yeah, man. Being prepared for the Antichrist, man. Mark of the beast. Because I'm a Christian, man. You know, I believe in Jesus Christ, bro. And I am not gonna give up my faith, man. And so many times I think to myself, like, honestly, it would be so much easier if I just gave up my faith to pursue fame and fortune. But I can't, man, because our time here is short, man. Our time here is short. You know, a lot of people don't believe in like heaven or hell and stuff like that. That's fine. This is just what I believe, you know. Amen, Johnny. You believe? Hey, well, I love black and Hispanic brothers who don't fall for the victim mentality and make that money. I hate the government, how they use people for their political gain. And honestly, like, well, my guy, think about it, right? Like, how much people bend the knee to the government just for a little handout, you know? And then they got people like this. I'm always bringing up people like this, man. Nancy Pelosi, right? Nancy Pelosi, look at her salary. Her salary is $223,000 per year. And then you look at her net worth. Her net worth is $114 million. And that was in 2018. How much is it now? How you make $223,000 a year and now you got $114 million, if not more, because that was 2018. Let's say she was in office for like 40 years with 223K a year. That's still only 9 million. How the heck did she make so much money? Corrupt government, corrupt system, insider trading, and people are still blind to it, man. They're not aware of it. That's why I got into crypto, man. I was like one of the blind, bro. I was one of the blind. I told myself, man, even though crypto is gonna be a tough journey and I gotta start brand new, I'm gonna make this journey, and I'm gonna keep pursuing it, man, because I see what's happening in the world. And one thing that's gonna change is the money. The money will change. And everybody that's in crypto right now, even if you just got some small plays, even if you just got 50K Casper or a few $100s in RFD or a little bit of route, in the future you're gonna thank yourself for it. Your family tree is American, Bosnian, Syrian, Albanian, Mexican. I've been through war, I've seen it all, brother. I know I've been through the worst in life, from zero to owning things. I never wanted to be just a number. Same here, my guy. Same here. It's all about standing up for something. And you know, I see crypto as my way of standing up, right? I don't want to be under the government's thumb, man. Decentralization over everything. All corrupt, Johnny. I'm telling you, man. All corrupt. I don't care how much L's I take in crypto. Like, I'm dead. I don't care how many L's I take. I would never give up on this, because to me, this is the first time we could actually attain freedom, because this is money. And what runs the world, bro? Money, wealth, right? So if you could control the money, and we could take over and take back things at least a little bit with decentralization, I'm all for it. That's why I got into crypto in the first place, and obviously to get, you know, wealthy from it too. But you know, it's the principle of why I got into crypto was the decentralization. That's what I'm saying. Bitcoin, like, after you make your wealth, put that in Bitcoin, XRP, right? Put it in Bitcoin, put it in XRP, put it in ETH. Put your wealth in those projects, man. The projects that are anti-government, anti-establishment. After you make your wealth from RFD, route, you know, and then move to a country like El Salvador or something, right? You always pay it forward. Shout out to you, Will. You're a very respectable dude, man. Johnny, respectable. Bali. You know, who else was in here, man? Rather Be Sailing. You know, thank y'all so much for tuning in with me, talking with me. You know, I really appreciate it, man. I see my you know, my supporters, my fan base is already being people with the same mindset as me, right? Because y'all relate on the same things I relate on, which is absolutely amazing, you know. 7 people watching the stream. 7 people watching the stream, man. Like the stream, share the stream out. Support the previous RFD video I made. I'm gonna have to make a Casper video, man. Cause Bali just bought Casper because of me. I'm gonna have to make a Casper video now. I told him it's not financial advice, man. Still went to buy it, bro. Oh my gosh. If you know you can help people and give a blessing and ongoing charity, I will. Hey, Will, I appreciate that, man. You're super amazing for that, doing good things in the world, man. That's what I said. They got so many people that are wealthy in this world that people look up to, but never give back, never help, never try to be, you know, never try to be generous to help people, man. It's wild to me, man. It's wild. It's so wild to me, man. How, like, off the world is. Like, one side of the world, they got people starving from hunger, and then they got next side of the world where people are super obese. Super obese, and you know, It's crazy, man. If y'all could support the stream, man, like the stream, share the stream out. Yeah, it is evil, man. It's clear evil. Clear as day. Share the stream out, like the stream, support my previous videos. If you can, support with super chat. Any donation appreciated. Cause the YouTube views for crypto ain't saying nothing. I could go do Roblox. I could be a Roblox YouTuber with my friend. He making so much money making Roblox content. Cause that's what the kids be watching, right? I could go make Roblox content with him. Cause I'm, you know, around that. Well, I'm not that young, but I'm in that age where, like, you know, we check out, like, you know, I used to watch a lot of anime and stuff like that, right? Making a ton of money off Roblox content. But I see what's coming with the future, so that's why I decided crypto. I'm never giving up on crypto, right? So even if the views aren't it right now, eventually they will be. So if y'all could donate through super chats, that'll be appreciated, man. Whatever happened to... Oh, man. Don't even get into it, man. Whatever happened to Hunter? Oh, man. Don't get into it, man. They just cover all of that stuff up. And people like just go along with it. Like, are they blind, or are they just ignorant, or they just choose to be ignorant? Or what will happen to Gary? Gary Gensler? Corrupt SEC guy trying to get Binance out of here. I wish all the exchanges would move out of the US, to be honest. Make another country more successful through crypto. Let them learn their lesson, then they gotta buy Bitcoin high and send us. Let them buy Bitcoin high, man. Let them buy Bitcoin at 100K. Right? Excuse me. Yeah, I saw that they best buddies. I saw that they're the best of friends. They are the best of friends. And then he coming after CZ. It's all corrupt, man. Clear as day. They are the best of friends, Mr. Whale. Time is ticking, Gary. Gary! Gary, the time is ticking. Gary! The time is ticking, Gary. Yo, Whale, you got me cracking up, my guy. Like the stream, y'all. Share the stream out. Support my previous RFD video, all my other videos as well. If you can donate, man, I'd highly appreciate any donations through super chat, man. Could be $5, you know, anything would be helpful. In the XRP community, we say, Gary, where are you, Gary? I would love to make XRP content, but I think that that lane is already oversaturated and taken. But I'm bullish on XRP, man. Super bullish on XRP. I love what it stands for. I love what the utilities is. I love how it's been on this constant battle between XRP and the SEC, man. The SEC, all of these government officials, all of them are so corrupt, man. He's losing the XRP lawsuit, so he has to find something else. Gotta be, man. It's clear as day. Whenever that... no, you feel, no, you called it, you mean like you wanted to ape into Bitcoin, you mean. That's what you want to ape into. Whoa, no way did it go to 22 mil. What? Last night, bro, I swear last night we saw it at 11 mil. What the heck? Yo, whoever bought this dip, oh my gosh, they are chilling. What the heck? You mean you want to ape in the Bitcoin? Bro, we covered it last night. No way it's up 2x, man. I think it was 10-11 last night, bro. It's up 2x now. Bro, whoever bought that dip is chilling. 15x from this dip right here. That's why I said, man, don't fade a reversal on a project. I joined this thing's Telegram and I was like, what is happening here? Why? The lower IQ you are, the better. The lower IQ you are in crypto, the better. Trust me. I wouldn't be surprised this thing goes to 1 billion, bro. Like, Johnny, I'm not even joking. Johnny, I wouldn't be surprised it goes to 1 billion, but I'd be scared to buy here. I'd be scared because that's FOMOing. Yesterday we saw it on this dip around 11 mil, so yesterday would have been a better time to buy. Jeez, man. Insane. Whoever bought down here, because I saw it down here when it was flatline, man. I should have took a chance on that, bro. You gotta be low IQ in crypto. The dumber you are in crypto, the better, okay? I joined the Telegram. They're making autistic jokes in the Telegram, Johnny. I was like, what is what is this? How is this sending? How is this sending? Bro, I would be hella scared, but hey, scared money don't make no money. Scared money don't make no money, right? But again, not financial advice. Never invest more than you're willing to lose in any project, okay? But yeah, I wish I bought it here, cause I saw it here. I saw it after it flatlined back down, and I could have just tossed it in here instead of another meme I saw, which would have been perfect. But it is what it is, man. Johnny, if you're gonna pick an entry, maybe it dumps back down like it did back here. You see how it dumped back down here? Maybe it dumps back down again to continue up. So wait until you see red. Don't ape the green, man. You know, it may come back down like this and then start to go back up. It may do that because the chart is super strong, right? Chart is very strong, man. I don't understand it. Gary's like the grandpa that sniffs here, bro. Get Gary out of here. Get him out of here, man. He needs to be fired. I don't understand crypto at all. You gotta just turn off your brain when you're in crypto, man. Like, you know how many times I saw this project and I was like, people are really buying this, and I really thought about buying it when it was flatline here. That's why I say, always count on you can't. The best time to get in is on a reversal. That's the best time to get in, cause ain't no way I would have gotten it back here. But you see, if I got in here, still would have made crazy gains, you know. And same thing could happen for RFD, right? You know, ain't no way I would have gotten in back here, but you could still, you know, a reversal from here, and then it goes crazy gains. What if it does a Pepe? You got a point. And low-key Gary's Nancy Pelosi. It's so Gary's a trans. Gary's trans. Gary's trans. What if it does a Pepe? But hey, that's the thing, right? The whales in this one are going crazy, man. The whales in this one are going crazy. Let's go through some of the top wallets. The whales in this one ain't playing around, bro. I'm telling you. They got Pepe whales in this project, man. That's one Pepe whale right there. Let me see what else. Oh man, the mix is done, guys. That was the last mix I was gonna play to end the stream. It's one Pepe whale. Let's see this person right here. Okay, this person just gotta come up, you know. It's a Shiba whale right here. Third wallet is a Shiba whale. Johnny, third wallet is a Shiba whale, man. If you're gonna take a chance on something, it'd be with a Shiba whale. Third wallet is a Shiba whale, man. He got Wojak. Third wallet is a Shiba whale. Like, there's no denying that right there. That was the third wallet. That's a Shiba whale. Oh, this person gotta come up. He gotta come up. He gotta come up. He ain't got nothing else in his wallet. It's another Pepe whale. 50k in Pepe. The risk reward is there. I'm telling you, man. Another Pepe whale. 200k in Tether. Yeah, man. They got whales in this one. They got connected whales. Blur pool. What the hell is blur pool? Blur pool? Oh, blur. A blur whale. 247k. Blur. I know blur. I remember blur. This one. They got a liquidity pool for blur. Yeah, man, whales are in this in the top wallets, man. They look like they got diamond hand whales in the top wallets. That's all you really need, man. That's why I was able to do this. That's why I was able to do this move, man. You know, 15x up from the flat line, from the low. 16x, man. Crazy stuff, man. Yeah, it's a risky bet buying this green candle though. Yesterday would have been a better entry. That's a smarter play, Johnny. That's a smarter play. Wait for Tusky to send it, to put a percentage of it in Bitcoin. It could come back down though. It could come back down to like the 0.15 mark. You know, it could come back down to the 0.15 mark. But yeah, I see a lot of I see getting a ton of attention on Twitter. It been getting attention. They also got NFTs that a lot of people change their profile to. You know, gluttony.eth. $57k, 18k wrap ETH. Yeah, man. I wouldn't be surprised. Like I said, turn off your brain when it comes to crypto, man. Like, dead ass. Turn off your brain. The lower the IQ, the better, man. That's what I'm saying. Like, they could push it like that too. The same way they push Pepe. And then boom, just like that, you get a 4x. Close to a 4x. I wouldn't be surprised, man. I should cover this one too, to be honest. I'll be real. I should cover this with Casper tomorrow. I'll be real with you. I should cover this in Casper. Man, I did see, and the sad part is I saw it on the flat line too. I saw it back here, cause I was like, I always was keeping track of it, cause I was like, it's so funny and dumb and stupid. So I was keeping track of it, but I didn't. I faded. What are your next good meme coin picks? Ah, man, I faded, man. I'm not gonna say. I'm not gonna say like what I would say is good meme coin picks, because I just cover what I see has more attention, right? And who's in and interested in the project. So I don't really cover memes too early, because you know how many memes just come and go, right? You know what I mean? So I wouldn't say like, oh, this is my next meme coin pick, right? I just go through and be like, okay, that looks good. I see these people in it, you know. Now, answer would be RFD though. You're right. You're right. You're right, Mr. Will. My answer would be RFD. But yeah, man, like I don't even want to leave the Bitcoin chart right now. The Harry Potter Obama Sonic Inu. That's what I'm saying. Around the mil market cap would be perfect. Oh man, they wrecked this one. Viral. They completely destroyed this one. Could make a comeback. 4.1. Habibi. You know, I think honestly, I think Inu is kind of good too. I'm gonna be real with y'all. I think Inu is cool. I'll be real with y'all. So from what I've seen, okay. But Bitcoin, RFD. Yeah, they wait and then boom, it explodes. Like the Bitcoin, this chart is, you can't fade this chart right here. The trend is your friend. It could do something like this, right? It could do something like this, but it could just keep going up. It could just keep going up, man, in my opinion. It could just do this, you know? It could just do that, you know? This is why I say I don't play around with too much money in the degen space. Follow the whale wallets, fam. That's what I'm saying. A Shiba Inu whale is like the third or second wallet on this. Like, we just went through some wallets, right? So I honestly, I would say Bitcoin would be my next pick. You know, Bitcoin would be my Harry Potter Obama Sonic Inu would be my next pick. I know it's high right now, but oh man, it's super bullish. It's super bullish. Look at this. A Shiba whale is number 3 right here, 726k. Look, I mean, follow the whale wallets of Shiba whale, 726k in Shiba, man. You know he could hold. He's definitely a holder. But yeah, man. Yesterday would have been a better buy for this one. But hey, it could, you know, it could run to 100 mil like RFD and all the others did. It could do that. You know. So yeah, Johnny, if you're gonna take a chance on it, I wouldn't be mad at you. I'll be real. I wouldn't be mad at you, my guy. I wouldn't be mad. Don't overinvest though. And if you do take a W and you be like, oh, I should have put in more. No, you got profit. You got profit. That's what matters. If it does crash, you never overinvested, so it doesn't hurt your bank account. Sheep deleting three zeros. I wouldn't be surprised, man. Of course it will. RFD community still pushing. It's crazy that the Harry Potter Obama Sonic Inu got a higher market cap than RFD right now. It's so funny. Yo, turn off your brain in crypto, man. Stop thinking. Don't think. Just ape. And if you lose, you lose. Just ape. Don't think, just ape. Don't overinvest though. Don't overinvest. Yeah, man. I'm telling you, John. Well, you had like 70k worth of 76k worth of route, man. So you ain't learning nothing new. Look at this, man. Jim. Look at this. This is what I'm saying. You see what I talk about with reversals? That's why I say I'm never gonna be the guy that buys here, but I would have been the guy that bought here, you know. If this was on Dex2's trending earlier, I would have been one of the guys that bought here, and then boom, few days later after buying after the pump and dump was over, I bought here. It reverses, boom. You know, it's the same thing with Harry Potter, Obama, Sonic, Inu, or Bitcoin. You know, like I said, I'm never gonna be the guy that buys here, but I could have been the guy that bought here, wait for some days, and then boom, reversal. Yeah, I'm just going Dex2's trending right now. This is another good one right here, LBR. This is good. Someone I'm in somebody in a call or chat. This is actually a utility project, okay? So this one I would say is good. Honestly, it's like Lido DAO. I made a video on it. It's at 10 mil market cap right now. It's on a retrace. It's like if y'all know Lido, LBR is good. I'm telling y'all, that's one of them. I'll be like, okay, you know, take a chance on that one. I don't know about Bitcoin, man. I don't know about Harry Potter, Obama, Sonic, Inu, man. But if you take out Lido DAO. Lido DAO is at 2 billion market cap right now, okay? Alright, well, have a good night, bro. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you, man. But Lido DAO is at $2 billion in market cap, right? And LBR is like Lido, you know? It got the same type of utility. And you can see after this dump, it's looking like it's gonna do a reversal, right? So that's one of them. I'd be like, okay, I'll take a chance there. Not financial advice, obviously. But if you take a look, this is a use case project. This is an altcoin. It got 190 million staked ETH, Johnny. And they got like a stable coin as well with 88 million. So yeah, this is a hella bullish project right here. It's super bullish. You know, Libra DAO. It's like Lido, like I said, and it's connected with Lido. I don't know if they got a full partnership, but like, you know, if Lido is at 2 billion, right? And it's a liquid staking derivative project, I'm telling you, this is gonna crush it. I saw it at 2 mil. But I faded. But yeah, right, this like around this range, good entry. But I'm telling you, man, around this range is good entry, man. I'm telling you, this is a good one. I don't know what Bitcoin gonna do. I don't know what Bitcoin, like Harry Potter, Obama, Sonic gonna do. Right now, market cap is 10.3, but I'm telling you, it could crush it. I'm telling you, bro. Look at how much stake ETH it got. 190 mil stake ETH, right? That is bullish. That is a lot of liquidity locked into its ecosystem, right? It's a LSD like Lido DAO, like I said, and Lido is at 2 billion, so it could potentially, like, I'm not sure if it'll go to a billy, but it could do like a 10x from here, in my opinion. I'll go sniper. Let me take a look. I'll go sniper. Which one is it? This one right here? I'll go sniper. UKO. Let's see. UKO. This one. Oh yeah, he took a chance on this. He took a chance on that. It's an app. Okay. I have to look into it. It's a program. I have to look into it. What is it used for? The last transaction. Is it the same? Is it the same Shiba whale? Cause that's the last transaction 6 days ago. Yeah, he's for small amounts into a lot because he got a ton to play with, which is the smartest thing to do. That's the smartest thing to do. $40 minutes ago. Yeah, you're right. UKO, you're right. When to buy at the right time, then when to sell at the right time. Okay. You said it's called Algo Sniper. I'll look into it, Whale. Thanks for that. Yeah, he just bought UKO. You're right. He bought skin. Skin. Is this what he bought? He bought skin? What is this? Can't be the right one. This one. Yeah, he just. That's a good tip. That's a good tip for you to do, Johnny, right there. You know, keep an eye on this man's wallet. We gonna keep an eye on UKO, man. We gonna see what happens. We gonna keep an eye on it. We gonna keep an eye on this one. 15K market cap. We gonna keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on this one. Just a program, okay. Play all day RFD. People know when to buy and sell. Nice stuff. See, so you could see. Is this the correct one, Mr. Whale? Is this the accurate program? Oh, that's it. Okay, cool. I'm gonna keep an eye on it, man. I'm gonna keep an eye on that for sure. It's great to get info from everybody, man. Always could learn new things, man. Always could learn new things. I'm interested to see what happens with this one, Johnny. I'm interested to see if this whale is right or not. I'ma actually like bookmark this man's wallet. I'll be real with you. I'ma bookmark his wallet. You ain't getting away from me. You ain't getting away from me, my guy. And bookmark his wallet. It really works. Hey, I'ma look into it, man. I'ma look into it for sure. Yeah, I've actually seen it before in a couple other people's stream. Let's see. Yeah, it's either he's throwing darts or he's an insider. I think it's something similar to this, right? Mr. Whale, where like it shows the why is it low quality? Where it shows like you could buy here and sell there. Right? Something similar to this. Likely he swaps gems. Hey, that's what you gotta do, man, if you wanna take W's in this space. Find these wallets and find these whale wallets and track them bad boys. You know? We'll see. I wanna see the success of UKO, man. I wanna see the success of that, man. Let's see if he's throwing darts or he's an insider. I mean, it doesn't look like he just randomly be buying stuff. Don't look like it. He bought some Pepe AI. How is that doing? How's that doing? How's that holding up for ya? How's that one holding up for ya? Hey, let me actually go to the transaction. And then I could pull up this. Grab the contract. How's that one holding up for ya? Okay. It ain't doing too bad. Alright, Mr. Whale, have a good night, my guy. See you next time, man. It ain't doing too bad, Johnny. It ain't doing too bad since he bought. When did he buy it? What day was this? What day was this? May 28th? May 28th? It ain't doing too bad since he bought it, man. Now I don't have a Telegram yet. Look at this. He bought. Look at what I just pulled up, Johnny. He bought Pepe AI on the 28th, right? And it's already up 10x. It ain't doing too bad, bro. He bought it up. It's already up 10x, bro. It ain't doing too bad. So that was one W he took. Okay, not just one. Obviously not just one, because he got Shiba and all these others early. Let's take a look at another one he got in. Augustus. Let me see. Let me see this man wallet. Okay. Got a 10x in like 2 days. Okay, skin. Red 4. Let's see Red 4. It's so early. The projects don't have the Telegram and stuff like that linked. Let's see Red 4. He ain't doing too bad, man. Red 4. Let's see Red. Did he flop out on Red? And he ain't flop. When did he get Red? He got Red 2 days ago. 2 days ago, and it's up whenever he bought it. He only bought $100 though. He bought $100. He like me. He like me for real. He like me for real. Okay. Let's see what else we got. Ferk. The heck? Another one. When he got this? Yeah, this stream has devolved, Johnny. This stream has devolved 5 days ago. 5 days ago. And you see, this the thing. He only putting in $100 in these plays, man. He ain't even putting in that much, and he got a ton of money. That's how you protect your investments, man. Bitcoin 8? What the heck? Oh, he bought some more Harry Potter. Yeah, he added to his bag. He bullish on Harry Potter. He bought the dip on Harry Potter, and you see how that worked out for him. Seeing if I could find anything. We're about to find 200 extras. We just gotta keep going, man. Child. Another one that's crushing it for him. What the heck? 6 days, 20 hours. When was this? When was his buy? It ain't loading. My internet messing up? Six days, 2 hours ago. And he up on it. I wonder if like they get into these projects to like pump them, artificially pump them too, you know? Not even wonder, I know they do. I don't even wonder it, they do that. They artificially pump some of these for sure. Yeah, man, this is what you gotta do, man. Just spend hours just looking at whale wallets. That's what you gotta do. This stream has devolved, okay? Or evolved, because we giving away alpha right here. We're giving away alpha. Huh? He took a L here. He took a L here. he took a L here, Johnny. Can't always take a W. How much did it invest? Yeah, $100. That's what I'm saying, man. You just throw 100 in low caps. Fine, just keep hustling. He tosses. He be shooting darts. He be shooting darts, and sometimes like I think he got two. He either got some insider info and also be shooting darts because he throwing into a lot of memes. A lot of memes, man. Nice stuff. What happened to UKO? Did it tumble? Nah, it's still where it's at. You know. Both, yeah, I think so. Yeah, he definitely a dodge shoot. Yeah. Let's check out the other wallet, see what they did then. Might as well, right? This one, the top wallet for the Bitcoin. They interacted with the Tusky deployer. Is that bullish? How did they interact with the Tusky deployer? Is that some bullish news right there? How they interact with the Tusky deployer? What? The top wallet in Bitcoin interacting with the Tusky deployer? Yeah, you know, Johnny, am I tripping? You see what I see, right? I'm not tripping, right? Because this is the top wallet. This is Uniswap. This is the top wallet in Harry Potter, Obama. And go to his wallet, his or her transactions. Pepe attack Sonic where's the Tusk. I'm like, why did it interact with the Tusky deployer? Interesting stuff, man. I don't know. Internal transaction token transfers. Let's see. This person is shooting. Him and the other whale bought Biao. Both of them bought Biao. So maybe Biao is a W. Maybe Biao is a W. Because both of them bought Biao. What is Biao doing? Oh, this one. Okay. Makes sense. Makes sense they got this one. That's another Asian meme. RBE? What's RBE? Oh, okay. Rebate. he got himself some rebate. Rebate at 3 mil. You see, that's what you see, Johnny, right here. I would buy this. I would put something here. I would take the chance here, like dead ass. You know, I would take a chance here. I'm not the genius to buy back here, but I would buy here. Even if it's at 3 mil, you get a few X's. You never know. That's a whale that bought RBE right there. Top whale in Bitcoin bought RBE. You know, they could spin a narrative like if you miss rebate, refund, you could get rebate. If you miss refund, you know they spin narratives like that. Let's check out the third wallet. See what they on. Yeah, he bought that, yep. Let me go back to it to show. Yeah, right here. RBE. Or maybe he sold out. Maybe he sold out, man. But after I look at the chart, I'm like, flatline. Flatline. Maybe he did have some. Yeah, he did have some. Yeah, he had 10K. Yeah, maybe he sold out. Let me make sure. Where is it? He got psyop. Let me see. Where your name, bro? Where the name, bro? Where'd it go? Oh no, he still got some. He still got some. Dang, how much is that? How much of that? How much is that? He still got some. Oh, it's not showing up. It's not listed on CoinMarketCap? Okay, well, let me go to Uni. Yeah, my man holding some Tusky. Oh, he got Tusky too. Yeah, nice. That's bullish. See, you got some bullish things to talk about in the Tusky chat now. See that? I got some bullish things to talk about in the Tusky chat, just like that. What am I doing? Okay. Rebate. I copy the contract. Let me see if I could pull it up without connecting. And I don't want to connect though, but I just want to see how much of rebate he's holding. Rebate is just a derivative of refund though. Let me see how much he holding. $76K. Is that accurate? No way. Can't be, right? Well, that's what it's showing me. It ain't got no decimal points. Number 2 holder Tusky. That's bullish. Yeah, he got Tusky right here. Look, it's right here, man. It's right here. Let me see how. Let's see if it's accurate, cause he got so much of that RBE. Let's see now. So that means if I do the same thing, let's grab Tusky. See how much he got. $70K worth. I just wanted to make sure I got the right. Is this thing is showing me the right thing? Cause if he holding that much of the RBE, just want to make sure it's the. Yeah, it's the same thing. It's the same thing. Okay, so it's accurate. Dang, so he got 70K worth of RBE or 90K. Crazy. And he got that much of Tusky too. That's bullish, man. You can share it in the Telegram group. Alright, so okay. Let's go to another whale wallet now. Which did we check out? This one? Is this a Shiba one? Okay, so we checked out that guy. Let's go to the fourth. See what you got for us, my guy. Let's go to your. What? Oh, this man just got a blank wallet. He ain't want no. He don't want nobody tracking his wallet. Yeah, he ain't got no transactions. Okay, you don't want us to track you? Okay, alright. It's fine. Okay. He bought you get nothing. You're funny for that. He bought you got nothing. He in BIO as well. Yuan 17. Oh, that's what's keeping it down. Cause he what? He taking profits all the time. What is this? How this chart looking? Oh. Ooh. Completely dead. 13k market cap. You know, that's what I'm saying, bro. You know, I would actually buy this. I actually. Oh, liquidity only locked for 21 days. Zero tax. I wonder if everybody got wrecked. Where did? There's no way that it gotta be people got wrecked on it. People got wrecked on it, man. I was gonna check to see if the Telegram's still popping or got any legs, cause this is the charts that whales love to pump, and it got a good narrative. Yuan, because eventually there's gonna be news about the yuan, right? The Chinese currency, the digital yuan. Whales love to pump charts like this. You know, everybody think it's dead, and all of a sudden, bang, bang, 13k market cap, then boom, quick 100x, or not, well, not, I mean 100x from here. 14k times 100, yeah, 1.4 mil, yeah. Whales love pumping charts like this. Yeah, man. Honestly, like, honestly, because it's called yuan, you might think it's dead and gone, man. But the liquidity could get pulled in the next 21 days, though, because the liquidity isn't locked for a long time. Interesting, man. Oh my gosh, I gotta go to bed. Let me see some other whale wallets. Give me another whale wallet. If the liquidity was locked for 100 years, I would have ate that. Oh crap, where am I? I would have ate that bad boy. Token transfers. Easy staking proxy. This was hundreds of days ago. This man took a break and bought Bitcoin. That's what I'm saying, bro. He got friends, bro. This one right here, he had friends to tell him to buy. He had friends to tell him to buy. Cause look at this. He ain't made a transfer in 177 days. 27 days ago, he just bought the Harry Potter, the Obama Sonic Inu joint. So he had people to tell him, yo, buy this. Yo, you gotta buy this, bro. Trust me. I'm telling you. Trust me, bro. Buy it. Trust me, bro. And look at that. Look how much he bought. Ain't no. Is this showing me that he only bought 1 ETH? Am I tripping, bro? He bought 1 ETH 27 days ago. Now it's up to 353k. Am I tripping? It can't be. It can't be, bro. They're freaking insiders, man. It pisses me off, bro. Why don't I have friends like that? Let me send you, bro. Why don't I have friends like that? That's one you gotta keep an eye on, man. Somebody told this man Yo, buy this, bro. It's gonna pump. Man put in an ETH and made 300k because his friend told him to buy it. Yeah, I'm gonna save this one. I'm gonna get rid of the sheep one because he be shooting bullets like a real man does. You know, he ain't got no insider friends telling him what to do. I'm gonna name this wallet Insider. I'm gonna replace the Shiba one. Cause look at this, the wallet was inactive, bro. Like dead ass. It was just inactive for for like hundreds of days. 27 days ago, boom. Yo, bro, buy Bitcoin. Buy Harry Potter Obama Sonic Inu. Man put in 1 ETH. If I'm reading it correctly. Put in 1 ETH and then boom, 353k. Straight up insider wallet, man. Oh my gosh. Straight up insider. Yo, bro, buy Harry Potter Obama Sonic Inu, bro. Trust me. You know they probably some nerds with you know they probably some nerds too. Crazy, man. Hey, that would have been, you know, this would have been some great alpha though, Johnny. This would have been some great alpha. As soon as he bought it, he just check his wallet every day. And as soon as you saw the change, it was like, oh, he bought something. And you just buy it with him. Easy gains, man. Crazy. Easy gains. Where am I? Okay, so I gotta go back to the Bitcoin chart. Okay. Alright, so now I want to go back to the Bitcoin project. Yeah, man. Easy, man. Yeah, man. Alright, cool. We back. Alright. Gluttony.eth. Let's see what you got. You got an ENS name. You'd probably be easier to track. Yeah, see someone else that bought it 26 days ago. And they haven't been active that much. They just like literally they just recently just got their ENS names. Their ENS name. Look. The last thing they bought was Center. That was the last thing they bought before they got into the Bitcoin thing. Again, another insider wallet, man. It wasn't as early though, or am I tripping? But yeah, 26 days, 6 hours ago. I guess they didn't get in as early. They didn't get in as early as the other guy. He probably got in as soon as it like launched on the market or something. They're still up 10x though. They still got a nice 10x. This one right here. Man, it's Johnny, it's late, my guy. It is late, but hey, now like we dead ass got like a way for like finding like, you know, following wallets, tracking wallets a lot, you know, because I just learned too, while, you know, because I be on Etherscan, but I never actually dive so deep into it, you know. So this is why you stream and engage with people, man, because this is some infallible, like some valuable knowledge, very valuable knowledge that we just did, right? Very valuable stuff, man. You could just spend like a whole day. Just spend like a whole day going through each top wallet. I might do that in the next stream. Why not? If we go through like the top wallets in another project, see what they buying. That's some good content right there, to be honest. And we could show people how to read Etherscan too, because it's still confusing to me sometimes, you know. Still kind of confusing to me as well. But I got like the gist of Etherscan, reading Etherscan, just the gist though. I ain't got the full, like, you know, breakdown of it. But yeah, man, this was a great stream. This was a great stream though, Johnny. Thanks so much for tuning in. Thanks for the donations. Thanks to you know, everybody that has tuned in. I see 4 people are still here. So yeah, man, like the stream, share it out, go support my previous videos as well. I appreciate all the support that you guys give on the channel, man. You guys are the best. And yeah, man, like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, share the content, share the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one, man. Peace out. Love.